This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, camera's on. Let's do a sound check. Good morning, Omnius. Sound looks like it's working. Good morning, Omnius. Oh, my voice is rumbling. Means I'm still tired. Okay, well, the first thing we need to address is the fact that I wasn't here last night, guys. I wasn't able to make it back in time, so we're going to have to do last night's giveaway game finals tonight. We also got to do Friday mornings, the morning sessions giveaway game. We will get to all of them. Good coffee. In the meantime, let's take a look at what's happened in the market. I'll let you guys know also as you slowly filter in. I'll repeat myself. What do I want? I want this one here. A 12, 10. What do we got? Ooh, boy. Really? 328,000 on the volume. ATR is 6.6. Very quiet. Very, very, very quiet. We had the 80% trade yesterday, if I remember. Down, up, down. Yep, let's see what we're going to get today. Hello, Miss K911. Oh, look at that. We have it again. We have that 80% again. We took out the Asia session highs. The Asia session is the gray box. Good morning, Smooth Operator. No, Smooth Operator. Today is the Omnibus. I love it. That's funny. We're going to start calling him Omnibus. You know what? I should change his name where it says Omnius. I should change it to Omnibus and see if he even notices it. Guys, today is the giveaway. Today is the actual account. We were supposed to do one last night. Didn't get to it. Let's see who's in. Let us see who's in for the evening. Wow, we got Hamza, Kashir, Nefemi, Tiger, Woodchip, Kefemi, Kashir. I think I said Kefemi. Joker, Hamza, Nefemi, Kashir, Tiger, and Nefemi. Wow, Nefemi, looks like you have 4 entries. Oh, Nefemi's not even here yet. Miss K. Miss K, you don't have any? Oh, I'm sorry, Miss K. Morning is Blockwire, Joker, Woodchip, nothing much in the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we can maybe run a couple of qualifiers also. Definitely. Blockwire, Joker, Woodchip, Skeletor, Hamza, Blockwire, Skeletor. He's got 3 entries. And Starboy. So, maybe I should open the file, right? Is it opened? It is. It is. But markets are opening in 9 minutes, so let's get to that also. That's funny. Smooth operator, Miss K. Let's just see that I missed one. I didn't have my file open yet. Miss K. Smooth operator. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So let's take a look again. As I was saying, Asia session, gray box, we took out the high, we took out the low. This was the line that was marking where we were going to trade down to with an 80% probability. I mentioned that when we were trading up here just before the markets opened. Actually, let us confirm that. Ninja Trader, that's the 10 o'clock bar, which means that opens at 9:30, closes at 10. That's how Ninja Trader does. So, yep. And today I am letting you guys know that we have that same 80% probability that we trade up to 25,716, and I marked it in there. So we do have a, we have a target over there. Also, we also have the previous day's high, and then above that we have the overnight session highs at 25,760. Anything to see on the wider view 30-minute? If you put the chart like that, that's a pretty, is it over there? Yeah, let's just keep an eye on the move up here. One of some of the pullbacks here, 25,000 down to, that's about 400 points. 539 down to 200, 300 and something. So what do we got so far? 746. It's only about 200 points. It's small on the daily, but it is a strong market. And on the daily also, I don't think we need the trend line anymore. But if we put the daily, look how the daily kind of looks like the half an hour, eh? Price is fractal. Last but not least, I think I mentioned it, ATR 6. Average range of the 1 minute candles is 6. I'm on the 1 minute chart right now. And aside from that, volume 333,000. If you guys remember, I look for 400,000. Okay, so we can get to the same message that I'll repeat over and over and over again. I missed last night's finals, Thursday night finals. I wasn't able to make it for streaming, unfortunately. I did mention the possibility of that during the week, and I said that it will be Friday morning if I'm unable to do it. So today we'll do the giveaway for the accounts, and we'll run some qualifiers for the evening session giveaway, which is separate from the morning session giveaway. The evening session giveaway, no more qualifiers, just the final round for the winner. The morning session giveaway, we can run a few more qualifiers, and we can run the final today and give away the account. So one Taurus account and one Bullinox account today. Markets to open in 5 minutes. And I'm going to adjust my trade cop here, check my risk settings. Risk settings, PDLL, $300, already set. Perfect.
Good morning.
And block. Good morning. Update and block. Perfect. Risk per trade, 100. Perfect. That means I should just be doing max a 3 lot.
How was your trip yesterday?
It was good. It was good.
Good to hear. Good Friday.
It included pizza.
Sweet.
Hey, how can you go on the road and not have pizza? And the funny thing is, it wasn't even me, it was Alex. He was like already on his phone. Okay, where's the nearest Pizza Hut? Yes, we're Pizza Hut fans.
Haven't had pizza in a long time.
Did you say pizza or Pizza Hut?
Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
I think last time I had it, it was so bad I refused to eat it for a while.
Yeah, I think they were more popular in the day, but yeah, that's kind of my impression also. I don't know, quality has suffered and fallen, not just at Pizza Hut, in a lot of places for a lot of things.
I think they were really good. Back when I was a kid, they was really good. But I guess they had to compete with the cheaper places.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's tough, eh?
So I guess Little Caesars and stuff, they went to those $5 pizzas. And pretty much the whole industry had to try to compete with that.
Mm.
I remember
Yeah.
Domino's used to be really good. Pizza Hut used to be really good. They used to do those book reading things. You read a couple of books, you get a free
Oh, yeah?
personal pan pizza.
No, that I don't remember.
Man, those things used to be so good. You go read a book just to get the pizza.
Mm.
And they had me convinced. But now every time I eat Domino's or Pizza Hut, it's just so bad.
I get a stomach ache.
It's like the bread's just hard and you're like beating it against the wall or something. Yeah. I don't know. Skeletor, good morning.
2 minutes to open, 2 minutes to
Miss
walk
K,
there.
good morning. Smooth operator, good morning. What else we got over there? Anybody I missed? I'm half blind. Good morning.
Mm. Sparky, don't bother me. You got your cookies. You got your fix. You shouldn't need more. Pick ORB. Game's not up on the board. I'm not running Deal Me In tonight. I'm tired. I'm so tired. You guys want...
Tired. You just got. You ain't done nothing.
You guys want Deal Me In? What's going on? Let's go. Hold on. We'll get it up. Let's just make sure the server is running.
Guy's tired. He ain't done nothing yet.
You know what that means? It means trade carefully.
Yeah, I feel the same way.
There you go. Beat the dealer is up. Let's reset the dealer board. The leaderboard. The dealer board. There you go. All scores set to 0. Oh, did we check for how the NQ is doing relative to ES?
You do any kind of morning analysis?
I did. I finished it.
Really?
Most important. Well, if you
I was late or you were early?
Oh, no, I was late. So you were late.
Let me tell you what happened.
Go ahead.
So I was starting the stream. And then I was trying to find the stream. I couldn't find it. And I was like, dang, they're going to do me like that? Not even going to let me see my own stream? Then I got thinking about it, and I was like, well, did I ever set it to public? So I go back to the studio. I go check the dashboard, and, of course, I had it on private. So I had to reset it back. It happens. Market open. A little late on that, too. We do have big news, 10 o'clock.
Order filled.
Look at all these order fills, man.
Okay, there we did. The 80% trade is complete. I forgot it's true. You asked me if I did a market analysis or a morning analysis. And I was saying that, yeah, the 80% trade is available or whatever. I don't know what word to use. What word should I use? Anyways, it was there yesterday.
Pineapple.
Yeah, it was pineapple. But yesterday we had a target, an 80% chance of hitting it, and we hit the target. And today, same thing. I marked it out. You have it on the 1 minute chart, the yellow dash line, the dot dash. You will see that I did mention it pre-market at around 9:22. So that's something I check. That's the first thing I check every morning to see if the 80% trade is available. Actually, the first
When are we
thing.
getting a video on that? I still don't know that trade.
I don't know.
You've explained it to me 10 times, and I still don't get it.
I could do a video with like that. You want to do? We'll do a podcast. We'll do a 1 hour.
Something about the Asian market and something.
Yep,
like,
that's it.
I don't even know what all that is. I thought it was just the market. I'm
Ouch.
just messing with you. I know what it is. I just can't keep up with. I always get confused, like what time frame is this market and what time frame is that market.
Yeah, well, that's why I programmed in the boxes. So I can easily just put up the 30-minute chart and check it quick.
Can
So
we get a
we
trading bot on this strategy?
did. No, because the problem is as I said, you don't know when it's going to hit.
What do
It's
you mean?
only
Oh,
it only tells you the target and the probability. It doesn't give you the time. It's missing one component. Maybe that's why it's so highly accurate.
oh, kind of like that other strategy, the previous day's value area.
Yeah.
It's
So
crazy that you can have a strategy and you can back test it and you can forward test it and you can say, yeah, it's got an 80% chance it's going to go right there
mm,
and still lose every
yeah.
time.
Every time. Well, because it's not a, you know what? It's true. I shouldn't call it a trade. I think I'm misnaming it. It's not an 80% trade. It's an 80% target. A trade requires a
Mm-hmm.
setup. This doesn't have a setup. This only identifies where price is likely to go with an 80% probability.
Yeah, let's
That's
order
all.
one.
I'm sorry. I'm naming it wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, the hard part is finding the entry.
Yeah.
Finding the entry within your reasonable stop loss.
I think what it does is we should call it the 80% bias. So if you have an 80% bias or, and you have a target, there's an 80% probability of it being hit, take your
So many
trades and
people, so many
take your
people
trades
want to
in
know
that.
where the market's going. Instead of worrying about that so much, just worry about where you can get a good entry.
Yeah. Take your trades in that direction.
I think a good entry just makes everything so much better.
I just took a saber trade. I'm going to call it a saber trade. I don't like tiger. We'll go with a saber trade. More than one person can use the name, right? It's not fair. You can't reserve the word saber.
Do whatever you want. You can be whatever you want.
It's so
You can
easy.
go to
It
the moon
flows
if you
off.
want.
Look, isn't it a compliment?
You
I
can
mean,
even be president if you want. Whatever you
I'm a,
want, you can
I-
do it.
I'm acknowledging that it's not. I'm not even calling it my trade. I'm acknowledging that it's his.
Coughing
That
like crazy over here. Allergies and
mm,
I don't
that
know.
he would. Wow, look at that move from 9 o'clock till now. 580 to 780, 200 points, pretty much straight up.
Because one of the streams I was watching this morning was talking about this huge dump and how we was going
Yeah,
to crash today.
yeah, they're back at it again. Oh, and you know what? There's one other benefit of the saber trade, calling it the saber trade. If it doesn't work out, I can blame him. Huh? I'm not so
Yeah.
stupid, huh? I'm gonna take a long over here.
Order filled.
Order filled with the saber stop. Look at the great risk to return I'm getting on it.
One of the things I was going to point out today, had I showed up on time, is that the market is we're still pushing up. The market's still bullish if you zoom out to the 1 hour or the 4 hour.
Mm-hmm.
But previously, when we broke this resistance or the support zone, we just shot up. This time we broke it and we push up, we drop back down, we push up a little bit, back down, push up. The high, we're making higher highs, but they're small higher highs, and the higher lows are small higher lows. So we're not seeing the big strong push on the higher time frame that we were seeing before. So this could mean that the bulls just don't have enough strength. We see them reject hard from this area. Could be a sign of a longer downturn.
A weak bull. And while we're on that topic about bulls, if anybody checks and compares the NQ to ES, I guess you guys all noticed that the NQ is stronger today, relatively speaking, compared to the ES. NQ took out the entire session and the overnight session highs. ES did not. ES is quite a bit weaker right now. So if you get a long entry, or if I get a long entry, sorry, I would consider taking it on the NQ and not on the ES.
Order filled.
Starboy, good morning.
Like I just did right now. And as I mentioned to you guys, I'm starting to not like trailing drawdown. Can you believe it? It's starting to bother me. I think because too many people are offering end of day kind of solutions or something. Hey, Starboy.
I'm liking I want to see more of the end of trade drawdowns.
Yeah, but end of day is the best. I mean, seriously, like right now I'm up $100 on my Bull and Ox accounts. Really? Like, I have no problem playing with it. The only thing that's bothering me, using it to try and accelerate the day. But the only thing that's kind of interfering with all that is my brain telling me, yeah, but okay, then your drawdown gets affected because you just made a new high water mark. So, okay, it is what it is, right?
But once again, generally with the trailing drawdown, you get an extra $500 for that reason.
So that's not bad. That's almost 2 PDLLs. If I have 2 PDLLs back to back, I can think of it that way. Yeah, you're right. Good. Thank you. I appreciate the advice.
I think when people talk about the trailing versus end of day, they always talk about the benefit of end of day, but they don't talk about how most companies give you that extra $500 for the trailing.
Yeah. If you're going to do trailing, though, yeah, it should be end of trade. It shouldn't be unrealized also. Like that's really cheating. Seriously, that's really cheating.
Now, if we could do end of trade with the extra $500, oh man.
That was my question, yeah.
To me, that would be a spot right there.
Yeah. Do they give you that or do they give you 2,000? I have to look. Who is it again? It was Funding the Network, the company that ends with the word network that does that.
Yeah. Don't remember. I've seen it. I've seen on a few of them now.
A lot of people are asking for a duck race. Well, I have good news. Yeah, we're going to have a duck race. Not today, but we got a duck race coming up. Let's see.
Way to get your ducks in a row, huh?
No, that's not it. Let's see if I can give you a quick preview. It looks really fun. I like it. I have to put it up on the chart.
You got your DVR on your stream?
What does that mean? That you can't go backwards?
Can.
Can? No. You shouldn't be able to. I don't know. It doesn't work. Then, good morning, Starboy.
I was like way behind. I looked over. I'm like, what?
Anyways, yeah. You don't have the whole screen there, but that's kind of what it's going to... Hey, maybe I can compress it. Okay, if I compress it, there you go. Your ducks are going to rise or going to run up. Right now, we're just in... we're just running the test words. There you go. Can you see the screen? Or is it? The little duck has to get to take profit, and you're going to race against others. But it's not going to be some random racing. You control your duck. You're going to have to type in chat. And you can't spam with the same word. It's going to be everyone. The words that you're going to have to type in is going to be the usernames. Like Starboy, Joker, Omnius, Woodchip. It's going to make your duck run up the board. We had a nice. Yes, this is left side of the chart trading. I'm telling you in advance because I was distracted.
You mean we can't trade from the left side like everybody else?
No, but I'm pointing it out. Okay, you know what? I won't even point it out to you guys. I'm just going to point it out to myself. It's not even right. Just keep your mouth shut. I agree that. I agree, Mike. Keep your mouth shut. Don't even call it. Don't even call it. What did we get? We got a... Oh, yeah. Yeah, the duck race looks like it's going to be fun. I was enjoying playing with it yesterday. I'm such a baby, yeah. Well, the market is delivering for me today. It's not telling me, Mike, the way you trade is completely wrong for today. Bounce off VWAP potential. Actually, if we can close above the open of the previous candle, it would also be another reason to maybe go long. Guys, I'm going to take a quick break, even though it's early. I'll be back in probably 2 minutes.
Break time already? Nice pullback. Remember, we have news at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, bring it up. We got Michigan sentiment, got PCE price index, and consumer spending, 10 o'clock. So if you have to be out for news, make sure you're out 2 minutes before 10. If you're trading a funded account or something, you might want to be out unless your strategy is on trading the news. Yesterday, I started fixing the bot and put the code in Claude AI. I don't think I've ever used Claude AI. Comprehensive analysis of the strategy reveals 17 critical issues that could cause unexpected losses alongside numerous optimization opportunities. That's what it told you? Maybe I need to try Claude AI. Mine sure does have some issues. But all my issues are order entry and exit. Because I have, to be fair, I do have it set up in a way that complicates it because my bot has 4 strategies added into it. So I have 4 different buys, 4 different sales. How do they interact with each other? Plus, each of the strategies has a second entry. So now I have 4 more. So I have 8 orders, entries, take profits, stop losses, all that have to interact with each other. So I understand it's complicated. So even programming it's hard for the bot, hard for the AI. Let's see, do I have Claude AI? Don't see it. I don't think I've ever used it. Claude AI. All right, Skeletor. I save it to my AI folder. I'll have to give it a try when I get a chance. Did I have any problems Skeletor with accepting a certain amount of code, because my code's pretty long. Like I think GPT only accepts. I don't think I can put it in GPT. I think it's too long. So I'll have to try Claude.
I wanted to talk to you about that, actually.
About what? I didn't do it.
Ain't it, Femi? Have you seen the changes at ChatGPT? Since ChatGPT changed and became such, I don't know, much worse than it used to be, at least in my opinion, I canceled my subscription. I use DeepSeek now a lot more for coding and stuff, for help, you know. So the free GPT, who's on the free I go, hey, GPT, I have an idea for something. I want you to help me with it. Okay, Mike. I go to type in my second message. You've reached your daily limit. Really? I just said hello.
Who did that to me the other day?
I said, oh my God. You can upload 2 images now. That's it. You know, for it to reference. And then you've reached your image limit.
Yeah, I think when you upload images, I think it's only like 2 images or something. It's like, oh, you reached your limit.
The thing that's bad is I need a lot of access to this, you know. I need a lot of help. But I would pay DeepSeek. There's no paid plan. I even said, DeepSeek, I can't give you money.
No, it's a free. DeepSeek's free.
I hate DeepSeek because DeepSeek has these message limits or whatever you want to call them.
What do you mean?
Well, you type and then you got to start a new chat. Your chat has reached the size allowance or something. Start a new
like
chat.
30 chaps or something.
Yeah, but when you're coding and stuff, it goes fast. The code is large, you know. It's I have to click continue 3 times. So it happens very often. Anyways, I create summaries. You know, I have it make me a summary. I have a work process for it. I create a summary, and we do it that way. But still, it's a pain in the ass having to start over with a new. You know, it's like it knows what you're doing, and then you're going into a room with someone new, and you have to start all over and explain. Anyways, now I keep all the steps in a summary, in a log, and I just dump it in. But it's a pain in the ass. It would be so much better if it was a way to pay for an extended service. I think they want to be an industry disruptor. They want to make the other guys suffer for a while.
It's supposed to be open source. So it's also from, I guess, China. So it's
from where?
China.
China.
I think it's from China.
Yeah, I think so also. Yep. I think that's what I heard at least. Okay, well, you want to play today's?
Skeletor says DeepSeek is free, has been, good,
will be,
but it's not fixing my code. Yeah, I think it's great at code, and I don't know if it has the best reasoning ability.
Well, now when you go into DeepSeek, do you see it thinking? I do.
DeepSeek always thinks.
No, but do you see it? Do you see what it's thinking? It's writing it out now. It used to never write it out. Now it writes it out.
Yeah, it did. First time I used it, did that.
Not for me. Just started doing that. I said, wow, this is very inefficient.
I think you just didn't notice. Or maybe you didn't have
No. Oh, maybe.
It's always did that.
Because I asked him about it. I said, can I turn this off? What's this new feature? And he says, no, you can't turn it off. You're stuck with it. You're stuck with it, baby.
You didn't have the thinking on before. Yeah, DeepSeek's always did that. It was cool because it would write it out and it would tell you like it's a thinking process. It's like, okay, the user wants this. And it even goes over like what you may want and what you don't want. So I
know, that's what I brought it up.
The user said this, so I could do it like that. But the user didn't ask for this. So my reasoning would say that that's not what they want. So I'm going to do it like this.
You know how many times in the beginning when I saw it thinking, I pressed the stop button? No, you're thinking all wrong. But then I realized that it's just reasoning with itself.
Yeah, it goes through and it's like, it's almost having a conversation with itself and itself on what you want. I thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, it's always done that.
Yeah, I mean, like some of the things, you know, when I introduce it to the duck game, The user wants to create a duck game, and it's using the foundation of the deal me in because it wants the board to have the same dimensions. But maybe the user doesn't want a duck game. Maybe what he wants is he wants me to find him the best deal on rubber ducks at Amazon. Like it starts to go in, no, that's not, I want the duck game. I don't want you to search for the duck game on Amazon. I told you, make me a duck game using the template of deal me in.
Yeah, when I first started using it, it's like, because it'll go off on like a certain direction. And I'm like, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. And then it says, well, I don't think that's what the user wants because the user didn't ask for this as a follow-up. And it's like, and then it starts going in the right direction. And it's like, okay, there you go.
So I wrote back and I said, hey, genius, if you're going to tell me all the things that I don't want, we could be here forever.
It does it pretty fast. I mean, it's pretty fast.
Now I find it's, since my DeepSeek started doing this, it's slowed down quite a bit.
Well, yeah, it's thinking. Because I don't know, are you saying you don't have the option anymore for thinking or not thinking?
Well, I didn't look around. I just asked it, and it said you can't turn it off.
Yeah, you can. It says deep think. You press the button, it turns it off.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I didn't look around or press buttons. I just went with what it told me. But now that you tell me, I will look around. I will see.
Looks like it's on by default.
Yeah.
I don't know. Mine's not on right now. Order canceled. Thank you for canceling my order.
What are we waiting for? Well, we had a nice little pop-off VWAP. For those of you that follow VWAP, I watch VWAP. I don't use VWAP for trade entry, so to speak.
I like the deep think on DeepSeek. I've always used it. And to me, it goes by pretty quick anyways. I think the speed's still comparable to GPT. I mean, it's faster if you turn it off, but Skeletor said that he read that Claude AI is the best right now for coding with the latest update. And he said he put his in Claude AI and it gave him a bunch of possible fixes for his code.
Okay. Well, I'll try it.
Let's try it out.
Claude. It's funny how you guys call it Claude. I guess it's funny how we call it Claude.
Also, Skeletor, one of the last times I put my code into DeepSeek, I didn't ask it a question or anything. I just put it in and click enter, and it gave me like 20 different things to try to make it better. It gave me like a list of things that could be causing issues and what it could do to make them better. But I didn't want it to do. I was like, no, I don't want to do that. Well, I spent 9 minutes analyzing the code, using thinking and web search. What an amazing time to be alive, isn't it?
What an amazing time to be an AI user.
I remember back in the day using Thinkorswim and just trying to get a simple RSI and spending nights and nights fighting with the code, trying to copy and paste and create a code. And now we just go to an AI and say, look, make me an RSI. This is the way I want it. I was watching somebody that's talking about how they're a website programmer.
Mm-hmm.
And people were like, well, why don't you program websites anymore? What happened? And they were like, well, the amount of money you'd have to charge to be able to do it as a business. And somebody can just go to the AI and tell it to make them a website. And it just doesn't seem fair. And AI is just going to get better and better. One day soon we'll be talking to it. And,
oh, yeah.
hey, look, man, my bot did this. I don't like it. Fix it. Like, ding, 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 we fixed your bot. What next? You can already talk to the AI. I can turn mine on right now and just talk to it while hang out while we're chatting.
I always do. I don't type. I give all my instructions in, if I can. As much as I can give verbally, I give verbal.
I'm not talking about just verbal. I'm talking about conversation mode.
Well, I don't. What do I want to talk to? I don't know. I have no need to just have a conversation with. That's what I have you for.
You've never put it in a conversation mode?
I didn't know there was one. I swear to God.
Really?
I didn't know there was a think mode. I didn't know there was conversation mode.
The guy all about AI don't even know how to use the AI. Nah, man,
do.
you can turn it on and
I know how to use it for my needs.
I don't know if you could hear it.
What's it going to do? Open with, what do you want to talk about today?
Probably.
How was your day? Know. So what is it? How's your really? It becomes a girlfriend. How was your day?
Let's see.
Pick ICT. How'd you do? 14 versus 26. Oh, well.
Capture screen. Which screen? We'll do this one. What? What went wrong?
Ooh.
It's mad at me already.
Order filled. Order filled.
AI is starting to become like a girlfriend, right? You get in trouble, you don't even know what you did.
What did I do wrong?
All right, let's try again. Pause. Could you hear it? I don't know if y'all could hear it.
Ooh, shit.
All right, pause for a second. I don't know how to display the audio. You could shut the fuck up for a second, I could think. I don't know how to put the audio on. All right, I have to figure it out another day. What if I put it on my phone?
Order filled.
Whoa, shit. I covered my lung in the...
Hey, can you do something about the whole order filled thing?
Oh, you want me to make it louder?
Keep your orders to yourself, man.
Keep your orders to yourself. And my boys say, you don't show all your trades. I say, yeah, well, what do you want me to do? It's Bullinox's fault. Blame them. I can't copy trade. I don't want them not seeing, but I want them on a separate computer so I don't give them an excuse to say, hey, you were copy trading, or we saw a connection to another prop firm. You cheated on me. So yeah, those are the Bullinox, and oftentimes also Top Step trades, because they both run on Top Step X or Project X or Platform X or whatever it's called. They both operate on X. Wow, we a little pop up, a little pop down, eh? So you know what I did? I'll tell you what I did. I took
something you're curious about.
There we go. I hear it.
Right in. We don't talk to the AI about.
Hey, I'm all ears. Just let me know what topic you got in mind, and we'll get right into it.
Analyze the NQ. Are you there?
Just let me know what's on your mind, and we'll chat away.
Oh,
analyze the NQ 1 hour chart.
Let's break it down. So right now, the Nasdaq 100 NQ is showing a pretty solid uptrend. On the 1 hour chart, the technical indicators are signaling a strong buy, meaning that multiple moving averages and momentum indicators are leaning bullish. Basically, we got a scenario where the RSI, MACD, and moving averages like the 50 and 200 period are all in buy territory. So the trend looks pretty positive at the moment. Let me know if you want to dive deeper into any of that.
Any major news coming out today?
There's plenty happening today. For starters, Apple is going through a big shakeup with several top execs leaving, which is fueling competition in the AI space. There's also news that a grand jury has.
I put that on mute. I just wanted to bring up for you guys, if you take a look at the 30-minute chart or a longer time frame chart, we're coming up into a bit of a resistance zone over here. I had that marked out for quite a while, so we might be running into some turbulence.
Turn it off.
I just turned you back on. So you can see that on the 30-minute chart. That looks around November 12th, about a month ago.
Trying to figure out how to tell the AI to be quiet and then speak when I want it to.
Data series. Let's add a few more days on this. We can go a little bit further back.
I definitely want to try out that Claude AI, like Skeletor was talking about.
Nice. 44. Let's compress the chart some more. Really, that's all we can compress it, but I'm pretty sure that range. Yeah, I was going to say, if I made a range like that, I was going to say I'm pretty sure that range was significant multiple times, and we can see that 4 times over here we pretty much tapped into it and sold off. That's why I marked it off like that. So just to be aware, I mean, it doesn't mean that we're going to sell off immediately at 803. It just means that we're in a little bit of a pocket of resistance, kind of like in the game we play, where you got that wall of resistance. We got to break through it. There's going to be orders there, and that's all it means. We just got to break through it. Or look for a short entry. But I do want to see a bullish candle form the swing high, and right now that's a bearish candle. We did have one that I attempted to take. I was going to bring it up before I was being interrupted by English accent AI. Yeah, we did have a trade over here where we closed below the bullish bar, and I had the 50% entry, but I'll tell you why I didn't like it, because I don't really have comprehensive stats on this trade yet, and my main system was bullish at that exact moment with a 73% probability that we were trading higher. So I didn't want to stay in the short, and it's a good thing that I didn't. I took 2250 out. I got out of it, and it went up and would have stopped me out. So good job. Good job. Good job. Yeah, that's the problem with looking for counter trend trades, you know. I'm primarily a trend trader, scalping with the trend. But if I find a counter trend trade, it kind of messes with all that, and it was difficult to manage that at one point. So even with my loose trade setup rules, it's still has enough filters in it to keep me from trying to catch a falling knife repeatedly. Like, there really was only this one over. Actually, there was 2 of them. There was 3 of them. This one was a loser. Looking in hindsight, like I said, I don't call them in hindsight, but I'm just, you know, thinking out loud. This was a loser. This was a winner. 2 shorts. This was a loser. And now we potentially look for our next one. And I was discussing with someone about making it even more selective. And all you got to do to make it more selective is just change the definition of what a swing high or a swing low is. Right now I'm using a fractal. I think most people, when they use a fractal, they're considering it, they want two, let's say for a fractal high, two lower highs on the left and two lower highs on the right. Yes, fractal highs and lows come in late. But what if we change it to 5? I used to use 5 and we make it more selective. Will we have less? And you see, we have less falling knives that we catch. We would only have this one, which was the winning trade, and we would have this losing trade over here. So we can do that. But if you're following the logic, we won't know that that's a fractal high. I won't know that this is a fractal high until I have 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this dotted or dashed line will only appear once this bar closes. So that's a bit of a problem with the fractals, setting the fractals or the swing high condition to 5 bars. It's a bit of a trade-off.
You gotta be careful with fractals.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have you thinking you're a genius.
No, yeah, of course. They look so beautiful after the fact. They look beautiful. It's all after the fact. That's why I'm saying if I could set a fractal to 1 or 2 and it's usable. But once I set it to 6 bars on each side and make it really wide, it's like,
First time I had an indicator like that, I thought, man, I'm gonna be freaking rich. This shit's so
easy.
Yeah. Oh man. So I'm like reading in the comments of it, like it just uses fractals or whatever. Don't use it. And I'm like, I don't know what this guy's talking about, but man,
he's an idiot.
Man, this guy's stupid. Look, they put arrows right there, man. You just sell with the down arrow and you buy at the up arrow. Oh my God. For some reason, it didn't work.
How many people you think have gone through that, eh?
For some reason, it didn't work, and then you refresh the chart, and you're like, well, now it looks good. I hear a bell ringing. What's that mean?
I don't know. But yeah, I'd like to know how many people got Xeftila'd with that.
Did you hear a bell?
Sucked into that.
Is that on my side or your side?
No, I think it's your meds.
Over.
I think it's your meds.
I need meds.
It's the ringing in your ears.
Been a bit off lately.
I have a, you know what I don't understand?
I don't have meds, but you know what I do have? Check this out.
I was more than 3/4 way through a full sentence there. Just
go ahead. I had something important to say. Go ahead.
It's not like you interrupted me after one word. I was already like 18 words in.
All right, go ahead.
I was just saying I have a, you know what I don't understand question today. But we'll get to that later. Okay, no, we'll get to it now. You know what I don't understand? I don't understand why prop firms, if they have conditions for you when you're a sim-funded trader, why don't they just throw that in the eval? If that's what they're looking for, then that's what the eval should test. I'm just saying.
Because they get more money when you pass the eval.
I know, but that's hypocritical.
Plus, that's what you were, I had something actually important to say.
I hope you forgot.
No, I didn't forget. I got it right in front of me. Look what I got. I got fucking nutty bars. Look at that. The white chocolate ones. Oh my God. I saw that. I was like, buy these.
Shit.
Take my fucking money.
North Pole Nutty Buddies.
Eat that little Kermit the Frog fucker. We was leaving the store and I was eating one. I was like, oh my God, these are so good. I told my daughter, I said, look, when you get older and you find some guy that you want to marry and spend the rest of your life with, buy a box of these and give them to him.
Make sure he likes nutty bars.
She's like, I don't understand. Why would I give them to him? I'm like, well, the quickest way to a guy's heart is through his belly. I mean, these are pretty good. I think it'll work. It'd work on me. You ever want to kidnap me? Just bring like a box or something like that. My son would be like, Dad, how'd you get kidnapped? My son, they had white chocolate nutty bars. Come on.
Yeah. Can you help me find my dog? No. If you help me find him, I give you a box of nutty bars. I'm in. Slide that van door open.
It's not hard to kidnap me.
Why are there no windows on your van, sir? I don't know.
That was pretty good, though.
So now we have to give away a box of nutty bars. With every account comes a box of Nutty Bars shipped directly to your door.
Mm-hmm. That one guy should do that. My wife's like, I don't see the big deal. I'm like, they're Nutty Bars coated in white chocolate. What do you mean you don't see the big deal?
They look like coconut.
White chocolate.
Yeah, I love white chocolate.
White chocolate Nutty Bars. My only complaint is they know you're going to go crazy, so they like give them to you in like quarter Nutty Bars. Like I know you remember the old Nutty Bars, right? Like,
no, I don't.
What? You need
I don't. Those are new to me.
Nutty Bars?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. What else would have went wrong in your childhood? Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Hey, someone stole my questions.
I'm sorry, man. If nobody's told you sorry, I'm sorry. Now you need to call somebody and say, look, why did I not get Nutty Bars as a kid?
I'm not even sure they sell them in Canada.
What?
There's a possibility. We don't have everything you guys have. When we cross the border and we go to your grocery stores, for us, what's your grocery store? I don't even know if it's still open. Price Chopper. That's what all the Canadians get excited about. We're going to go to Price Chopper. Actually, you can do it to Walmart. Walmart has groceries now. You guys have the aisle of your food, of all of the, not junk food, but I guess you can call it junk food. The cereals, the chips, the cookies. You have so much stuff we don't have here. We have the basic stuff. Chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal cookies. You guys got the buffet of everything. But then again, your population is 10 times the size of ours, so it makes sense. I understand it.
And 10 times fatter.
I'm not sure.
I think we're the fattest nation on earth. Probably because of these Nutty Bars. All right, what are we looking at? You don't play on your phone?
No, I'm writing down. I'm writing down whenever I think of these questions that I want to ask these prop firm companies when we start to have interviews, and they're going to, they're all going to say, I'm not coming on your show anymore.
Oh, I guarantee everyone's going to have 3 questions.
Huh? Free? What do you mean free?
Free questions.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll give them the questions. You can prepare for them.
Like, yeah, we'll answer your questions, but we got to approve them first.
I have no problem. You're still gonna get these questions. And you know what? The firm that has the balls to answer them is probably the firm that will get respect from traders.
If we ever interview somebody from Apex, you might have to do it by yourself. I'll show up for moral support, but we'll probably have to disconnect the mic. The mute button is not going to be enough. I'll take the mic, I'll disconnect it, I'll take it all the way to the other room. There's a quiz. What does that mean? Oh, for the prop firms?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, yeah. Honestly, I'm going to bring it up again. If that's what you want, if those are the traders you're looking for, if that's how you want a trader to trade, if that's the traders you want to work with and you're making it sound like you're a legitimate firm, then the rules you have in sim funded with consistency and minimum trade days and I don't know, whatever other rules that you guys have, scaling, that should be in the eval. Could you imagine doing a job interview for programming? And you come in and they need an experienced, we want an experienced, well-rounded Python coder who can assimilate and with SQL and okay, for your eval, just go in this room and let's see if you can turn on the computer. You know, seriously, nobody does that.
So I would disagree with you, and I'll tell you why. Because when you hire computer programmers, a lot of them, what they do is they hire interns. So the interns show up and they don't really know anything. But the point is that they're there and they're there to learn on-job experience in the moment. So you set the bar low. You're not going to tell an intern, well, you have to have a master's degree or a doctorate degree in programming. You say, okay, well, you have a AA degree, you're starting your bachelor's degree. We want to hire you as an intern. So you're not only doing the schooling, but now you get the on-job experience, hands-on, working with stuff, programming stuff. And that's kind of the way prop firms are. And that's the way they start. That's the way they're meant to be, is for newer traders to work with and learn. Could you imagine somebody just started trading and you gave them all these rules that you gave a master account? So to me, I understand it. I don't know if you thought of it that way.
I see.
I understand the way you're thinking of it also, but I think that's why I would disagree.
I see you going into a job interview. They're looking for an intermediate level Python coder. And then to qualify for the job, they charge you to go into an evaluation room, and all they do is have you open the computer and type in hello world. So you paid for that test. They take that payment, and then you go and they say, okay, you're hired. Now you're on sim funded. Now go and code me this. And you can't. You fail their what they really want. And then they say, okay, we're not paying you.
I was talking to a tech guy one time, and he told me, he said, you would not believe how many tech issues we have. And the answer is you got to plug the computer in.
I know.
There's a reason that's always the first question they ask you.
Yes, I know.
I know every time we talk to tech people, we hate all these questions. But when you talk to them a little bit and they tell you, and they're like, there's a reason we ask these questions. You got to plug it in. I mean, it's going to help.
Yeah.
My TV won't work. You sold me a broken TV. Well, did you try plugging it in? Oh, I didn't know you had to plug it in. Evals are supposed to be for learning. Some people see them as a test to a funded account, but they're supposed to be for learning. Theoretically, if you're that skilled of a trader already, then you would just blow right through an eval anyways. So the eval's for learning. The funded account is for like intermediate learning, and then the live account is for professional traders.
That's not the language they use on their website. The language they use on their website is show us that you can trade, and show us that you can do this, and show us that you can do that. Show us. So it's a test. What do we do? Here's a dilemma. I made it a little bit easier to see on the screen. The original entry went almost to target, but it did not hit target. You can see it on the screen. But it missed it by what? 1 point, a point and a half? The entry that I like is the retrace entry, the dash line. Do you still take it because theoretically it did not go to target? Or do you say it went so close to target that it's not worth it anymore? That's a hard one.
I had a response for that test thing. Do I still get to say it?
Absolutely.
My kids go to school to learn. At the end, they got to take a test. Same thing. Cashier, good morning.
Hey, cashier.
Kids did their Christmas thing, Christmas concert last night.
Okay.
We got to go watch all that.
Did they sing Gadete?
I don't think so.
Do you know that song? My kids used to do their Christmas concerts. That was the song. Gadete, Gadete, Christos Maria, something like that. I can't believe I just sung it. I'm going to send that clip to my boys. But holy, I won't say the next word, but wow, did that song just play in our heads all the time.
They teach the kids that the three major celebrations is Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa.
Kwanzaa.
I've never met anyone in my life that celebrated Kwanzaa.
You never met a Kwanzaa?
I've met a lot of people who said they would be, huh?
Yeah. A Kwanzaa. A Kwanzaa.
I've met a lot of people that said that they would never celebrate that, and I don't know why they tell them that that's like major, like
whose holiday is that?
Celebrations and religions. Huh?
I'm gonna show you my ignorance now. Whose holiday is that? I swear to God, I feel like that's like Christmas for South Africans or something. Kwanzaa. What is it? What's Kwanzaa? I could GPT it, but anybody know what Kwanzaa is? I know, I've heard of it. I have no idea whose holiday it is. He's putting his head.
Supposed to be Christmas for Black people.
Oh, I was close. What did I say? Christmas for South Africans. That's not bad. That's close.
I don't even know if they celebrate that in South Africa. I think it's like a made up holiday that somebody made up and told people that they had to celebrate because they have a certain skin color.
Yeah. I don't know. The Femi says nope. But the problem the
He's from
Femi
South
is
Africa, isn't he?
We have no idea what he's saying nope to because he's on a delay.
Oh yeah.
He could be responding to my you know what I don't understand question.
But I've never met anybody that celebrated. I've asked a lot of Black people. They've all said no. But speaking of South Africa, that does remind me of something. Ruin. Have you talked to him?
No. Nope.
So I did get a message from him yesterday.
No way. Okay. Was it
and he said he's still there.
Okay.
He has some stuff going on. I'm gonna talk about it on stream, but he messaged, said he's still good. He has some stuff going on, and that he hopes to return as soon as possible or something.
The Ruan show. We'll have the Ruan show.
Mm-hmm.
Live day trading with Ruan. Once he comes back.
But he did message.
I have no idea.
He's still there. He didn't get
eaten all good. Tigers have not brought Ruan to his demise. That's a good thing.
But he reached out.
Said
he's had a lot going on.
Actually, since we're giving away a Taurus Arena account today, I do want to bring up the fact that I mentioned, well, you mentioned it in our giveaway, but I spoke to Taurus Arena even before that about having them on the show.
Yeah.
And I did mention that I have no interest in soft pitching you down. You know, what do they call it in baseball when they give soft pitches right down the plate? Right in the sweet spot, whatever. I'm not a big baseball fan, but I'm not interested in doing that. I mean, we can ask the softball questions, but I also want to throw in some hardball questions, and she did say no problem. I have no problem answering the tougher questions. Okay, I like that. That's
Like
it.
what question? Give me a question.
Well, there you that one we just brought up before.
Let's do it. I'll be the prop firm. You ask me the question. Go ahead. Go.
One of them was the 5-day rule. Why do you have a 5-day rule? That's way too tight. It doesn't give any flexibility to the trader to, health issues, vacation issues, family issues. 5 days is way too short.
So I can actually answer that question, but I don't agree with it, and I think it needs to be updated.
Mm-hmm.
So the answer to that question is because they have to provide data. When you get data from CME and Rhythmic and stuff like that, you have to show that it's being used. So that's the reason they have the rule, but it needs to be updated. It shouldn't be 5 days. It should be 14 days or 28 days. You can't just have accounts and then not use them.
Yeah,
if you're getting active data for those accounts.
That's basically what she said. And she also said, I loved her answer. And she also said that they don't enforce it. They have it there to,
Who, Taurus Arena has a 5-day rule?
Yeah, they have a 5-day rule. They have it there to, kind of, you should keep it on your mind that you should be kind of active, but they don't enforce it. They're not opening up their records and see who's on day 6 so they can close accounts. They have traders who have gone like 20 days, 28 days, and they didn't even notify them until it got to almost a month. Exactly like you said. When it gets to a month, they kind of give them a nudge and say, hey, you should put this account to use, not just let it sit there. Mm-hmm. So I like that answer. But on the other hand, then why not just change it to, why not have it reflect what you're doing? Why put it as 5 days, Or at least make it, like you just said, make it 14 days. Make it 10 trading days, 15 trading days, something like that.
I think somebody just picked a number, and that number was 5 days.
Mm.
I don't think they considered all the other things. So I understand why they did it. I just think it needs to be updated.
Wow, this is an interesting trade that I have that I'm monitoring. Look how it still hasn't crossed the green line, the take profit line. It's still just sitting there. It did
get that same rule, kind of a similar one. Skeletor was telling me yesterday that he's got some past Bullinox accounts that he hasn't paid for. Remember, you got the 7-day activation.
Well, if he has some, but he has some that are activated, then it's fine. They just sit in pending.
Right, but you have to have at least one activated.
Yeah, so he doesn't have any activated?
Not sure.
Yeah.
Maybe he had one, lost it or something, but...
You said Skeletor, right? Skelly?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. But when I talked to him, they said you have to have at least one activated. I was looking for the rule on that. You can't never find the rule. I feel like they need to put that on their website a little bit better.
Yeah. That's another question. Why are all the rules that traders don't like impossible to find on your websites?
Exactly.
I mean, if you're hiding them, they're not even in the small print, and they're so unpopular, and it's going to kill your sales, then why even have the rule? And if you have the rule, be transparent about it.
It'd be cool if, I guess I wouldn't be able to do it. I was going to say it'd be cool, if you had for the master account, but maybe you didn't want to pay it all in one time. What is it, $140?
Yeah.
I think. I don't remember which one was which. Let's say $140. If you could just pay like 70 this month and 70 next month. But then I guess most people don't hold the account that long, so.
Yeah. I love the earn to trade model. You remember what it is? They
Now, you said something about get paid out and then push
they
up
deduct,
to another one.
They deduct the activation fee from your first payout. You don't pay it up front. If you can't make it to payout, they don't get the activation fee. How's that for a firm that wants you to succeed?
I have to look more into them. Which one did you say? Earn to trade?
Earn to trade. But it's a non-issue right now because till December 16th, there's actually no activation fee. And they're having 60% off. So you can get a 50K account that will grow all the way to a 400K account for like $67 with no activation fee.
When it says GAU 50, what does that mean?
Oh, that's Gauntlet. No, you don't want the Gauntlet. You want the Trader Career Path. That's the one that grows. Gauntlet is the regular accounts that we're all familiar with. If it's a 50K account and your profit target is 3,000 and your drawdown is 2,000, it stays forever like that. But the Trader Career Path is the one where if you make 3,000 on your 50K, they give it to you. They don't hold it in reserve. And they start you now on a new 100K account. No activation fee, no nothing. They just modify your account. So now it's a 100K account with, let's say, like $5,000 drawdown and a $6,000 target.
Wasn't the family talking about? Nope. I mean, I don't know. I think he's on a lag or something.
Yeah, that was a little bit of a.
Yeah, you got your DVR on today.
Needed a.
That's why I don't like the DVR. Everyone always says, "Why can't we scroll back on the stream?" Because you're never up to date.
No, I turned it off. I did. I do it. It's an automatism. Oh, you told me there's a way to check. I remember now even how to do it. You go into YouTube Studio, according to Omnius. You find the stream. Let's go into YouTube. You click that little airwave button, and that shows you the settings. Let's see if it's.
So you're talking about the Trader Career Path?
Yeah. It brings you all the way up to 400K with a $13,000. I think it's a static drawdown once you get to 400K. It doesn't even move up. It's not even a trailing drawdown. Don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. It's pretty fascinating. So you get 400K with a drawdown at 387, and it just stays there. If you bring it up to 405, you now have 18,000 of drawdown. If you bring it up to 410, you now have $27,000 of drawdown.
They have a trailing drawdown, end of day drawdown, and daily loss, all at the same time.
They are a firm that wants you to trade well. Absolutely. I told you, they're the most legitimate firm. They've been around the longest. They want you to succeed, but they're legitimate. They don't play the games that the other. You need to be a responsible trader. It's not a place for gamblers there. But they're not hustlers. They're not stealers. They're not hiding things from you. They're a legitimate firm. They're what it should be.
So basically, once you level up, but then they're saying that's a live account. So that's basically the same thing.
They want you to live. That's what I'm saying. They're a real firm. Yes, they want you to go live. They were the only firm that puts their qualified traders on live. That is their MO. You are right. I didn't do the DVR on this one.
No.
They don't mess around. If you show us you can trade, we're moving you to live. We want live traders. They're not a Mickey Mouse operation. They've always been like that. Go back 3 years, 5 years. They've always been like that. They've been transparent. If you're good, we're moving you to live. We're not in the sim funded game. We're in the let's find good traders game. They have a different business model, and they've always had it. It's not new.
Hey, when you do that stupid two-factor stuff with Apex, you do it on your computer or the phone?
I do it on my phone. I don't have a 2FA on my computer, actually.
It's just so stupid to have to go to your phone every time you try to log in.
Okay.
Are you serious?
And Q and ES look relatively the same right now. How we doing on the leaderboard on Deal Me In? Cashier with 20 points. Smooth Operator, 10 points. Skeletor, -5. Come on, Skeletor, you can do better than that. You're in drawdown on the leaderboard. Wow, what a crazy trade.
Yeah, gotta read a freaking book to get into the site.
Came down to almost hitting TP, but did not hit TP. Went up to the entry that I like, the 50% retrace. Came down even closer to TP this time around, but didn't cross it. Didn't get across the goal line. Went back up to my entry, and now it's coming back down to TP. That's why it's so hard to hold a trade manually. If you don't have a bot doing this, whew, this is a roller coaster ride. But if you have a bot and you're just really monitoring it to make sure that it's following the rules and not screwing up, well, then you're golden.
Oh my God, I can't read all this stuff. I have freaking migraine before I get on the freaking site.
Love is a funny way. Well, I thought it was going to be a bad day today. I am green on 4 accounts, and I traded 4 accounts. Apex Brotherhood is having poker tournaments. I saved they had a short. I saved it. I want to see what they're doing. Maybe we can join in with them. They're looking for players. Maybe we can combine our channels and you want to join the Apex Brotherhood? $59.99 a month?
Mm.
No, there's no fee. There's no fee. It's just the name, the Apex Brotherhood. I guess they're poker fans because they're pretty excited about their poker tournaments. And there's no channel.
That. I might get my money back. What? Remember I told you they ran off and stole my money?
Yeah. Remember I told you they gave it to me?
I might actually get it back.
Good job. I like that. That's fair. I told you. They always do
1,
right in the
2,
end.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months.
It's a little late, but
pow! Right in the kisser.
I didn't even have the trade, but you know what? It took so long to hit TP. I wanted to say that. So, just to go over it again quickly, the trade triggered here, but I don't enter where the trade triggers, but the trade logic triggered there. Went close to TP, but it did not hit the TP. Went up to where I like to enter on a 50% retrace. Why do I like to enter there? Because it makes it a 3-to-1 trade. My stop loss this is 1R right here. That's my entry. Here's 1R. That's 1R. That's 2R. That's 3R. It's a 3-to-1 trade. Then it went close to TP again, but it didn't hit it. Went up again to where the entry is that I like, and then we hit TP. So the 3-to-1 trade was hit. Like I said, the ones that I see real time, I'll mark off with the fib lines. No, I do not use Fibonacci or the Fibonacci retracement. Well, I'm just looking for a better entry. That's all. Mathematically, that's a nice place to enter. You can enter here. You can enter here. I like to enter on a retrace. 3-to-1. I think that gives you great odds.
They said they was going to give me my custom code, but I guess that was too complicated for them.
Yeah, you'll get it. Don't worry.
Even though they said they were going to do it.
I know why they're giving you back your money. You want to know why? Because they saved money by denying my payout. Hey!
That's probably true.
We kind of breaking even on this over here. We can deny Mike and give it to Omnius.
Now I'm going to have to message them again and say, look, can you please set my custom code so that I can actually give it to people?
I thought you were going to say, can you please approve my buddy's payout request? Now that you have an in with them. Now that you and Apex are buddies.
We're not that good of buddies.
It takes time to build a relationship, to earn trust and respect.
One like that a long time. Look, I've tried for many, many months to convince y'all to go somewhere else. Since y'all insist on using that company, I bend over backwards to get a code, and they still can't even get that part right.
Life is a funny way.
I mean, the horrors that somebody would actually have to type into the system code Omnius.
Be nice to us. We'll be nice to you.
When they gonna start being nice?
When you start being nice.
You know something interesting?
You got to make the first move. What?
I've been with that company since what? Early 23? At the maybe even earlier than that. Yeah. I've been an affiliate with that company since early 23.
No kidding.
I don't even know how long I've been with the company.
I wonder if you've been there before me. I think I'm one of their...
So when you say give it time and you have to build a relationship and play nice and then they'll play nice, when are they going to start?
I don't know. Maybe you're just the unlucky guy that went in the restaurant and got the bad waiter and the wilted lettuce. Even though the restaurant always serves unwilted lettuce, and most of the time, 99% of the time, the waiters are great.
You ever been to that restaurant, Dick's?
Maybe you just got that day. What? Which
restaurant? You ever been to that restaurant, Dick's?
No.
Dick's restaurant or something like that?
No.
You go in there and the waiters throw stuff at you and call you a dumbass and throw your plate across the table. Now you want to go there, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I want to know if we can throw it back at them.
It's amazing. It amazes me that people love being treated bad so much that they'll pay extra to go to a restaurant where they purposely treat you like shit.
Yeah. It's an experience. It's fun.
See? You know what I'm saying?
I don't think people leave satisfied, though. Like, it's not going to be a place that it's going to come up on people's tongues often and say, hey, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. It's a one-time thing.
Packed.
Really? I think
Oh,
it's a
yeah.
one-time. It's a one-time. Let's try it one time, and then.
No way. They got a line out the door.
Wow.
Look up a video on it. They got
Is the
videos.
food really good? Maybe the
Uh,
food's really good.
I don't think so.
Life is a
Probably similar to like a Hooters or a Wild Wings or something.
Wings. Are you a wingman? You like yourself a plate of wings?
No.
How
You have to
hot
watch
do
a
you-
video. Pull up a video on it. Watch it for a second.
No. Every time I do that, my channel gets a strike. I'll do it later. I learned my lesson.
Why don't you turn the audio off? I don't understand.
I did. I put up a picture and I got striked, and it was my strongest strike ever with your band there, Poison or Prince Head or
Pantera.
Pimpleman. Yeah, there you go. It wasn't Pimpleman? Yeah, Pantera. Shit, I almost had their lawyer knocking on my front door the next day.
Yeah, it happens. Look what I had to go through because of a freaking 30-second clip of a song somebody made on an AI platform that isn't even supposed to be copyrighted. They threatened to shut my channel down.
Yeah.
On a short that specifically says they have a shorts policy that you can't get a copyright strike for music on a short. What can you do?
Don't like the trade. Sorry, boys. Sorry, boys and girls. Don't like that trade.
Long?
It was long.
All right.
I don't like it.
Mike said go long. Let's do it.
I'll tell you why I don't like it. The stop was too far away. The stop is almost 20 points away. I'm not comfortable with a 20-point stop. See, that's why I like retrace. Let it pull back, and then I'll dump it. I'll get into it. The stop
Didn't
is
really
down here.
take any kind of liquidity.
Yeah, that's it too. That's the problem also.
And it's not really, I mean, it's an uptrend, don't get me wrong, but I mean, the shorter time frame is not really
Mm-hmm.
kind of a
That's
deeper
it.
pullback rather than an uptrend. So I don't know.
Yep. My short term is short right now.
Right. So, I mean, if I was looking at like a sweep of liquidity or something with it, or a support zone, or, you know what I mean? Something. Give me something.
Yep. Maybe trade down to VWAP in the previous day's high, which is that yellow dash line that I have going across the complete screen there. That's the previous day's high. Volume 746,000. I really don't have a number for what it should be at 11 o'clock. I know it should be around 400,000 for average volume. It's a quietish day today. ATR 16. Average range of the 1 minute candles is only 16 points. Nothing crazy. But we can still work with this.
And now we have a bit of a pullback. Or you could say a signal to go short, but since my 2 minutes long, I can't go short. But what I was trying to say, it happened so fast, is that if this pullback would have pushed up, then I could have seen it as a legit trade. Because remember, a failed short's a long trade. Some of your best trades are, some of your best longs are failed shorts, and some of your best shorts are failed longs.
I'm trading scared today, so not a good day to continue trading. Should have let that run.
I'm not scared, but I do have Christmas tree colors. Little green, little red, little here, little there.
Well, I know why I'm kind of trading scared is because I know instinctively deep down I'm not fighting for price. I'm getting in with higher risk, and I'm not comfortable taking that. So
I just haven't really felt that good today. Yesterday I didn't really feel good. And I don't know.
Yesterday was a good day for me. You know what? It was nice to take a break from the computers.
Maybe that's what I need.
It was nice to get out, see the sky,
Like-
see the sun, drive to another city.
I think that's what I need. Migraines, my eyes been bothering me real bad.
Go to where should I go to?
Always something, man.
Fort
Stream in
Lauderdale.
the morning, stream in the afternoon sometimes. Your stream at night, make videos, make shorts, post
Oh
here,
my God,
post
it's crazy.
there.
Yeah. And then you're still behind. You still haven't done enough.
This is a full-time job with overtime.
Auto dubbing. You want to
I
change
know.
to other languages, thumbnails, titles, descriptions, promotions, graphics.
We might have to switch to TikTokers.
Mm,
I go on there and I see people, bunch of chats and views and stuff, and just started. Like, what the hell? YouTube has not been that friendly.
mm. Well, maybe it's a message that they're sending us.
Yeah, I like YouTube.
They're telling us you're not giving the market what it wants.
Mm-hmm. That was a nice short, but I don't know.
Yeah, it was.
I was still showing long on the 2 minute.
Yeah, that's
We're
the
like
problem.
Yeah.
It's a balance right now. Everything. I have shorts triggering in a long environment. I have longs triggering in an alternate short environment. It's like, well, I don't know
That's
what to do.
That's what triggers FOMO, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh, I could take the trade, but I would prefer everything to line up right.
That's it. I think everything will line up right for you. Sorry, for you and for me, if we can get under 25, 720. Around there somewhere, maybe a little bit low, maybe even a little bit higher. 25, 725.
I only need a couple trades a day. And if I can get everything lined up, I know I have a better chance of success in those trades. And also, if everything is lined up the way I like it and I lose the trade, I know that trade had a better chance of success.
Yeah.
So it doesn't, the psychology's better. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Hey, you want to hear crazy how I talk about the 70% trade? Or 73%? Do I say 73 or 70? Maybe I just, for brevity, I say 70 for my main system. I'm always talking about it. We have a 70% chance of, or 73% chance of hitting this target. I talk about it often. Anyways, I'm looking at my overall stats here on Top Step. My win rate is 73.33%. So, wow, look at that. Boop. What did we get? Why did it, what beeped? Oh, a trade saber trade. Yeah. Do I take it? Well, let's take it for one lot. I don't know what to take it for. Let's do it on Sim. On the mood to trade. Let's do it on Sim. There we go. The saber trade. Oh, quantity was wrong. Close. Sorry.
I want to trade, but give me something I can feel good about. Plus, it's Friday.
I missed it. Sorry. I think the saber trade went to target while I was playing with myself.
Oh, you know what trade worked out great today? The ORB retest.
Which one? 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute?
15 minute.
Yes, I see it right there. Oh, Lordy, that was a nice one. Stopped looking at that. I should mark off. I should mark that there.
Now that I have the indicator back on my chart, maybe we can start looking at it again.
Yeah.
Until it disappears again. I was thinking this morning I haven't reset all week.
Yeah.
Maybe we're starting something.
It's funny you mentioned it though, because you see my chart, you see the 1 minute chart up on the screen? You have a minute to look. You're not busy with something. This is the 5-minute range over here. If you remember, I told you the guy was claiming, and it's something that I'm following now. He says, if you close outside the 5-minute range with a fair value gap, expect an explosive move in that direction. And there was a really nice move off that over there.
Yeah, we broke the. Go ahead.
I was just saying, he didn't really describe where the stop is on that, you know?
So yeah, we did break it with the gap. Look, can we just call it a gap instead of a fair value gap?
Yep. But it's not really a gap, because a gap for me, when I know a gap in the old days, a gap there, you saw the space. The chart didn't fill in the space. You know, here it is filled in. So you'll never get a true gap on a 1-minute chart unless they halt the market and open it. You know.
Oh, you mean like a overnight gap or something?
Yeah, gap where there's actually, you know, a hole.
Yeah. Well, no, you know, you're only going to get that overnight. Now I got to get, you know, I need back on my chart is the, what was the indicator? 30-second gap. I don't know what the indicator was. Fair value gap. You think that might be it?
Mm-hmm.
That's not it. That's not it.
I'm also bothered by the consistent size rule. Like right now, I'm not in the mood to trade. So, I just took a 1 lot on my Apex PA account. Normally I trade 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots. I like to vary my size depending on how I feel about the trade. And right now, also depending on how I feel for the day. I mean, I still want to swing the bat, just get in the reps. But I don't want to do it for any size because I don't, it's not consistent size. Well, okay. Yeah, so?
Yeah, I don't understand that rule. What makes you think I want to trade the same size every trade? So, say I'm in a race car and I'm racing in a straight line, right?
You
Doing
can't alter
300
your
miles
speed
per hour. I don't want to take the curb at 300 miles per hour. You know what I mean?
Yep.
If the ATR is 5, I'm going to trade different than if the ATR is 30. That just makes sense. Why would you say that you have to trade the same amount whether the ATR is 5 or 30? That I don't get it.
That's going down in my list of I don't want to do your interview questions. Why do you have these fucking ridiculous rules?
I don't know what to set it at. Can I please have a save on this? No? Fuck. Okay. Show consequent encroachment. I don't know what the fuck that means. Does anybody really know what that means?
50%. My entry is consequent encroachment, by the way. If I wanted to be really fancy schmancy, I could say that I don't enter the trade when it triggers because I'm waiting for it to go and touch consequent encroachment. Or the consequent encroachment. Or the encroachment for short.
Okay. What else do I need? Apply. Okay. I think that's one of the ones I missed because you get a pullback, right? And then you get the signal, but then you get that signal breaking a 30-second fair value gap. Now we're getting confluence. It does kind of clutter the chart a bit, though. Where's my chart? We're going to work today. There we go. Now we got these red lines in the background. That's our 30-second gaps. If you're looking at the chart to see the gap, you're not going to see it because this is a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. So no, you're not going to see the gaps. Although, Mike, at one time I was working with the gaps of a Heikin-Ashi candle.
Okay.
That's kind of interesting too. Let's try it out. Let's set it for. I don't even know how to remember how to set it.
Give me a sec.
There we go. All right, we get it. Now we got the gap of the Heikin-Ashi bar. Only set it for 100 candles, so it might not be that much. So in that case, if I was using the gap of a Heikin-Ashi, I don't know if I would use the reversal. Sometimes you'll see it in the candles because it just jumps so much. And then I would use it as like a high volume trade or something. So I would use it totally different than the way I'd use the 30-second. I go to 30-second. Then the yellow dots that appear, you can't see it now, but it'll appear in a second. Just calculating. That's the high volume. There's high orders, high volume orders. So there we go. Got high volume orders. Came down here. All this volume, but they couldn't push it. Blue line, yesterday's high. Or was that pre-market high? But yeah, yesterday's high. Had all this volume pushing down. They couldn't really push it. Couldn't really get it to go. Came back up. Try it again. See what they can get. Volume charts, interesting chart. You just got to look at it a bit different than you would a time chart. We got the purple lines VWAP. So we got VWAP. We got yesterday's high. You have a pivot point right there. We just passed. Things that I look at when thinking about a trade. If I can keep the indicators on my chart. For those that don't know, I reset my Ninja Trader sometimes several times a week. So here we're trying to push up. We're breaking. If you can see it, I don't know if you can, how great you can see it. See this red line here. Not wrong. Box, I guess. That's our 30-second gap.
Can I join your stream, sir?
You back?
I'm back. Ow! Shit.
Hey, try to let me know when you're leaving so I can turn that camera off, and then when you come back so I can turn it back on. Because when you leave, it puts 2 of me.
Yeah.
Right now I got the
That is a man that loves himself, huh?
Right now I got the camera feed, so don't even like just put me on the top. It just there's 2 of me.
Yeah, okay, sounds good.
Let me see, what's the other one? I gotta resize it or something.
Are we gonna break below VWAP? I got a boop. Hey, a saber trade.
Let's see, how do I resize this thing?
Let's take it for a 1 lot and see what it does for me.
Ooh, we're getting a short trade.
Yeah.
Trying to.
Let's try and get it at 23. I'm
Pushing down into the 5-minute moving average, and we're pushing down to support. Nah, I'm not interested.
I had something interesting to say when I came back. I forgot.
We have to be below here, somewhere down in here. All right, back to my video.
Back to my dilemma.
Not that one. This one.
I didn't get to refresh my coffee.
What happened to the coffee?
My wife is washing the floors, so they're all wet. I couldn't go. I would have left my footprints all over the floor. I have to wait till it dries.
Man, that's the best, isn't it? How you missed that opportunity?
She would have chased me with the mop.
I have to do this later. I don't know why with the Discord. It's like the camera capture is different through the Discord or something. All right, I keep the camera for now. I don't think I've been muted ever since I took the mic off of the mixer board, huh?
Oh, yeah? I don't know. I didn't do an Omnius sound test today. Let's do one right now.
Well, I mean, I can see the visualizer, so I'm not muted. It's not like I ever change my volume. It's just up all the way. Everything I do is through the other mixer board anyways. Change my volume. It's just up all the way. 11:09, Mike. Are you going to do a giveaway? Don't you have don't you have a bunch of them to do?
Yeah, qualifiers, accounts. How come I have to do it? You're supposed to do it. That's why I sent you the thing. Not fair.
What do you want to do? You want me to run one? What do I got? I don't know what I got. Is it this one?
I don't know what you got either.
Is it that one? I don't even know.
Nefemi City. Nefemi, you have so many entries. It's crazy. I might as well just give it to you already. Just declare him a winner.
I think my game's so old.
No, it's not. It's a different version. But it's pretty much the most recent version of that version. Nefemi. Oh, Nefemi, you're killing it in the evening. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 entries for the evening giveaway, which we're doing in the morning because I didn't do it last night. I didn't make it back in time.
Oh, I can't size it. That's why.
I'm here too, guys. Cashier, what do you got? You got a lot going also. You got 3 for the evening giveaway, which was supposed to be last night, but I didn't make it back, so the giveaway is going to be today. Let me see. Morning stream. The morning stream is the Bullinox account. The evening stream, which was supposed to be last night, but it's going to be this morning, is the Taurus account.
Yeah,
That's
missing the top, the bottom, and the side.
Oh, yeah. That sounds like a boring hamburger.
Everybody be like, "What happened to my ball? It went out the screen. It's rigged."
Okay, let's get some stuff going. Close the trading. I'm not in the mood to trade anyways. I took a one lot. I did good. I did enough to make a normal trader rich. So let's close everything down. I mean, I don't even want to look at it.
Okay,
just
well,
close
hold
it
on.
down.
I'm not able to. Oh no, because then it's distorting the. Yeah, then it's distorting the board.
And it's distorting Norton. 11-11.
Oh wow, there's a winner circle there. I had the whole winner circle gone. I don't know. We're gonna have to come up with something different. It's a work in progress. I'm sorry.
Stop singing. Why am I singing?
Just take my apology and put it on your screen.
Okay, let's close everything down.
Look, let's be just more stuff that I have. It's like stacking everything, like put it in line, put it in line, put it in line, put it in line. One day I'm gonna have time to go ride my motorcycle. My buddy calls me, "When are we going riding motorcycles?" I never got time.
What are we playing? I don't even know which one this is. Let's just open it up and see what the world gives me. Let's get that up just in case there's a mistake. It's gone.
This guy's always like the #1 thumbnail I see on YouTube every freaking time.
Oh, yeah. Giveaway. Yeah, today's a giveaway. my actual game screen is gone. Omnius, did you log on to me? Did you log on to my computer again and do shenanigans?
Oh, that reminds me. Since we're filing complaints, you broke my camera. You broke my camera yesterday.
Really?
Yeah, you left. I couldn't get the camera to work for like 10 minutes.
What are we doing? We're doing a window capture, I think.
I'm like, freaking Mike, you broke my camera. My camera won't work. Me and Skeletor was talking. He's like, I can't see you. I'm like, I know, Mike broke my camera. I had to go back on the Discord.
There we go. There's the game. There's the capture that we're looking for. Oh, chart signaled the trade. What did they signal? Ah, another saber trade. Okay, there we go. But we got to get it under the warm-up banner. Just in case I press the button by accident. And let me update the file. What do we got? What are we doing?
Now I got to make sure you're up to date. Oh, did you fix it?
I don't know what that means, but yeah, I'm gonna go with yeah.
The DVR.
Oh yeah, I did. I did. I have an Adam. There was an Adam showing up. I forgot about him. Cool dude.
That dude, he's a cool dude right there.
Dominic hasn't shown up in a long time. Okay, let's run one qualifier. How's that? Let's put in the names. We got Skeletor. We got Smooth Operator. Guys, if I miss anybody, let me know. I'm going off my file. We got Miss K911. Nice to see you again, Miss K911. Wasn't sure if you were going to keep showing up. Nice having you aboard. Appreciate it. Enjoy your company. If you want, guys, all of you, you know what? You know what? We forgot, Omnius? We used to open up the chat on Fridays.
Been a while, hasn't it?
We've forgotten about that. I like those days. Guys, you have to remind us and say, hey, can we come on your show? Yeah, you can. Add a player. Nefemi.
Hey, can we put in one for my buddy Ruin? Yeah, having a bit of a hard time, man. Come on.
Add a player. Ruin. Save and apply. 9 players loaded. Let me just see who... I like it here. Yeah, it's warm here, eh? Miss K, if you don't mind. Can I ask where you're from? What I mean by that is, are you in somewhere where they have summer all year round, or are you somewhere where there's winters? That's all I want to know. Doesn't
Summer
matter
all year round.
Doesn't matter if you're in Russia or New York. Winter is winter. And doesn't matter if you're in Colombia or Florida, North Dakota. I think you have winter in North Dakota.
It's 73 here right now. I gotta wear a jacket.
Hey, Starboy, you know what I got to do? I got to go and probably boost my cars because we're having one of those. I got a shit ton of winter. Yeah, well, maybe your even winter's colder than ours, but we're having one of those cold freezing spells now. And
every time I say the temperature in Florida, Mike twitches. He's like,
I don't think one of my cars is going to start, actually. It's not used often. It sits mostly in the driveway, and it's with
Miss K got a shit ton of winter.
I got a shit. No, I got a shit. Pause. Ton of winter. Skeletor, Smooth, Miss, and Starboy. Let's make
We still haven't even lost all our leaves yet.
Wow.
Trees are still
Skeletor,
green.
Miss, Smooth, and Starboy. Starboy, you're there. After that, we got Nefemi.
And like a good cold or something. Mike, you'll mail me a snowball?
I will. Okay, we run it. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the message so there's no misunderstanding because today is the actual account giveaway day. So you're going to say, hey, I thought I won the account. Let's have no misunderstandings unless you can't read. The first, we got another beep. I don't know if you heard that. Another saber trade. Saber trade. He's killing it today.
Oh, we are going down, huh?
I should make a chart that you guys can see the trades. But what did he have? He had a short at 732. That's the price, not the time. Another short at 721. Another short at 705, and he just triggered a short at 686. This all started at 1107, if you want to know. 1107, the saber trade started to get called to the short side. And he goes for 15 points. Or, no, his technique goes for 3 bars. Let me be clear. And 3 bars on my chart, which is different than his, is 15 points. He also goes for 15 points, but his chart is completely structured differently. Okay, let's get this. This is a qualifying game.
Hold on, I got to tell you this real quick. My dog's looking at me like, dude, who are you talking to? You're always talking to somebody. Ain't nobody there. Dog can't hear you. Just hears me talking to nobody. All right, I thought that was important information you didn't know. All right, go ahead.
I smiled. I'm just setting up the filter here. I'm in opacity. Let me make the opacity 85. You can see it, but at least you can still see your balls. Okay, so who do we have qualifying so far? Again, just to remind me, I forget. For the morning, we're doing a morning. We only got Blockwire, Joker, Woodchip, Skeletor, Hamza.
I got to pee. I got 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah. And we got Starboy. On the extra marbles, we got Skeletor with 2 extra marbles for the actual giveaway game. I don't think... Blockwire. Blockwire has 2. Show me the marbles. Okay. Let's set it up. Hard or easy? We want it to take a long time, or we just want to get into the winner's pit for the qualifiers quickly? I like making it a little difficult. Ah, here, you get to see my settings little panel. Okay. Peg spacing. We want more pegs or less pegs? That's a good amount of pegs. The ball size is good. Let's make the balls a little bit bigger. Let's go to 16. Breakout bricks. How hard do we want to break out through that wall? Are there a whole bunch of just a quickie? Okay, then we're gonna. There's not a lot of resistance. There's no iceberg orders. There's just a small order sitting on the bid, easily to break through. Time scale. Let's smack him. A quickie. Well, you can't get quicker than 4 and 1. We'll make it 4 and 2. Background opacity. Let's make it a little darker, easier to see the pegs. Peg size. That's good. We're good. We're ready to go. We're waiting for Omnius. Apply settings. There we go. Ready to go. How many qualifiers do we run with the same names? How many qualifiers do we... What do we got again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can run 3. You guys want to run 2, 3? Just remember, if you say yes to that, it's possible somebody... Skeletor already has 3 balls in the finals. If he wins another 3, which is possible, if we run 3, he can have 6. Again, as a reminder, who do we have on the players list? We have Skeletor, Smooth Operator, who doesn't have any for the morning account. We have Miss K, who doesn't have any for the morning account. We have Starboy and Nefemi. Starboy has 1. Nefemi does not have any. So I think we can run 3. Do I have any balls? No, Miss K, I'm sorry. You got to win. You got to win a qualifier. I don't have you anywhere. Oh, boy. Guys,
you're doing a qualifier right now, right?
Do we give Miss K an extra ball? Yes? Okay, they said yes. Miss K, 911.
Well, it's a qualifier round, right?
It is. But let's give her an extra ball. Give her, him, I don't know. Miss K911-2. Miss K911 gets a second ball. Why does Miss K911 get a second ball for free? Because she has no qualifiers, or he has no qualifiers.
Well, since it says Miss K, we're going to assume that...
We would assume, but you never know. Maybe it means miss. You know, like I miss. Miss, maybe this person had a dog called K911, and something happened, unfortunately, as they do to our
Ruined
pets.
full moon. Yeah, I should have asked him if he took the... I should have asked. I should have said, hey, should I buy a Bitcoin or should I sell it? But no, he did reach out. He did say that he had some issues. Not gonna go over it on stream, but he did reach out. So everyone goes through things. So if he wants to come back, tell people about it. That's up to him.
We're ready to go. This could be a fast game. There's no iceberg orders. The wall of resistance is not so resistant.
And Ruin did say in his message that he's not coming on the stream. He just hasn't been trading and hasn't been doing stuff, and he's been other stuff going on. So he is going to return to the coming back. You know what would make this game a lot better?
Pizza.
You guessed it. You guessed it. Another nutty bar.
Starboy on the right side of the board. Does a flyover. Checks out the winner's pit. Says to himself, it looks safe. Maybe I should try to find a way to get in there. Bump off the peg. No, that didn't work. Let me try this peg. Oh, not enough. Nefemi coming in. Miss K911 still threatening, but far away. You know what? So Nefemi bounces off the wall. Sometimes these traders, these players who are not looking dangerous. Oh, Miss K, you tried. Ruin makes it. There we go. Ruin gets in. Miss K, you tried. You hit the wall. You hit the border. You got stopped at the border. You didn't have a passport. Morning, Friday. Ruin. He is in the finals. That was a good, fun game. I like these settings. Do I have presets. Can I actually save this? No, I wasn't smart enough to do that. Only this guy more? Here. Only one Omnibus. Someone was calling you Omnibus today.
Omnibus?
Yeah. I guess it was a mistype or whatever. What do they call it? But yeah, I think you were Omnibus.
I think there's like a movie Omnibus or something.
I saw a trailer for a good movie I want to watch. Gangs of New York.
That's an old movie, isn't it?
Daniel Day-Lewis and one of my favorite actors, that kid in Titanic. What's his name?
That kid in Titanic?
Yeah, the actor. Who's the man in Titanic?
I don't know. Hey, listen. When my wife comes after me because all the nutty bars are gone, I'm going to tell her I share with you guys, okay? You got my back? And no, I shared them with the guys on the stream. Don't snitch on me, man. Not like my wife's going to drive 23 hours to your house to get mad at you.
My mic was off.
And to be fair, I did offer you a nutty bar. You didn't want it.
I'm going to the dollar store today. I'm going to go look. You think they have them at the dollar store?
But I get mine. I got mine at Publix. You got a Publix?
No. Who here likes Journey? The group Journey. The band. Journey. Steve Perry, the singer. Is anybody a Journey fan? No, I'm not going to play their music. I'll get a strike. I'm just curious. Or am I the biggest Journey fan on the stream?
Sing the song, then we'll know it.
He is so talented, that guy. What a voice. Actually, he just posted a TikTok. He looks down. I don't know. I think the later part of his life didn't go so well. I think the love of his life passed away. I don't remember. Don't quote me on this, but health issues also. And I told him, you know what? Keep your head up, man. You're probably the best singer that's ever been on planet Earth, so that should make you feel good. Now look, best singer, subjective. You know, some people might think Bruce Springsteen is a great singer. Some people may think Pavarotti is a great singer. You know, so maybe I should have put the word rock. But nonetheless, very impressive. It's too bad he looks like he's having a hard time. Okay, let's go on Omnius. I don't know why I brought that up, to be honest with you. Hey, Omnius, you have a trade going, or is that a video on the right side?
Looks like a video.
Let us run the next one. Are you ready to play with your balls? Let's get a small, nah. Hold on, let's see if this works. I love having the controls. Okay, what's next? Let's apply the settings. Let's go. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Fire. I like fire. You guys almost went all into the stop out pit. Let's see if it happens again.
All right, so this is another qualifier.
Come on,
on screen.
Push now. Do a nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push. Yeah.
Got to get him in a few games. Skeletor on the right side of the board. Yeah, we do sometimes on email. Miss K, you're in the right place, Miss K. This might be yours. This might be yours. This might be yours. Ah, you just missed. I'm rooting for you, Miss K. I'm really, really rooting. Oh, you went all the way to the stop out pit. I guess the weather's better on the left side of the board for you today. Skeletor. Omnius can't win. He's just there to run interference. We all know that. Same thing with Diet Coke.
They don't ever let me win.
And futures. If there is a futures over here. Miss Case just
said because I got a red beard, I can't win. No red beard people.
Someone won, but I'm watching it in Skeletor. I'm watching it on delay. That's funny. My voice probably isn't matching what the game is doing. Okay, Skeletor, you want to give your marble? You just have too many. It's going to be the Skeletor game. Control,
That's okay.
copy. Nefemi for the evening stream, and Skeletor, he's just cleaning up.
That's okay.
Okay, in fairness, that's not even fairness. In non-fairness, if you were children, you'd be saying that's not fair. But sometimes we do things that aren't
Doesn't
fair.
the red beard make you a luck leprechaun? That's why he won't let me play. He put me in one game, I won, and he's like, you're not allowed to win.
Miss K, I'm really trying to lean the odds in your favor. If I give you any more marbles, YouTube is going to shut my stream down. That's the best that I can do. I agree. Skelly.
He said one day when
You
my
guys
beard's
are in the
completely
right
gray,
place at
then
the
I
right
can join the
time
game.
because this week's live
I don't
stream
get
and
it.
Prop Drop 500 beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are
Skeletor,
hand-rolled,
chocolate salty balls,
high-risk
baby.
snacks for traders who like it dark.
We get some like dashes
Dipped
between
in
the balls and the
premium
baby or
cocoa and
something.
perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
Okay, so the advice was to pop one in your mouth. So guys, basically, they're telling you to pop one of Skeletor's balls in your mouth. But the chocolate salty ones, that's what they're talking about. We run it again.
I didn't know you were playing a video. Remember, I don't hear your video.
Ah, okay. We should get more organized, eh?
If you gave me like a heads up or something, I probably wouldn't talk over it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But I don't even know. I just looked up and seen it.
I'm very impulsive, especially today.
That's fine. I wasn't trying to talk over your video. I just didn't even know you were playing it.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, stay out of the way.
Not only will he not let me play the game, he won't even let me listen to the video.
I'll let you do whatever you want.
Despicable.
World. Okay, we go. You ready? Heads up.
I'm ready. You ready?
We're not even going to call this Actually, we're changing the name of this game. Hold on. Give me. Boop, 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 boop. I got to find it. There's so many things here. There it is.
Hold on. SB King says he's not there.
He's in.
He's speaking? Is he speaking or not?
Is he speaking or not?
I can't hear him.
There we go. This is Miss K911's qualifier game. Okay. Yep, Mike, I'm not there. What are you talking about? I'm not there. You got a ball? Holy shit. Is that possible? Did I miss you?
I told you he was speaking.
No, he never typed in. I don't have him on my list here. I have him typing in giveaway after Omnius Trades typed it in. So when did you type it in? Anyways, we'll get you in. Sorry, bud. Add player. SP King. Inverted. SP King. You know what, guys? Give it enough time. You're all going to win probably multiple accounts. Save and apply. We're not stopping this anytime soon. These companies are throwing accounts at me. The next firm that wants to give you their accounts is who is it? The one that allows Nigeria funded. What are they? Funded next something or something? Anybody remember the one from Nigeria that allows Nigeria? Funded next traders or something? Funding traders next? I don't know what it is. I don't have my. Oh, hold on. It's in Discord also. The guy's really hounding me. He really wants to have giveaway accounts. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me find who's he.
But remember, in order to get more giveaway accounts, we have to get more players. So be telling your friends, your neighbors, go harass the guy at the grocery store. So listen, Come hang out. Join the stream. Trade futures. WTF, we trade futures.
Yep, I do agree. Because after a while, if they keep seeing the same names for the same winners, they're gonna say, Mike, that's not cool.
Exactly. And they've made that point before, so we got to get more people so that we can get more giveaways.
Funded
more giveaways,
next.
more chances you can win.
Funded next. What did Funded next have going for them that was really cool? A lot of people were talking about it for a while.
Oh, remember, I need a cheat sheet on this stuff.
Yeah, besides the fact that they take people from Nigeria, no, they had something really good going. Like either a really good special or something, like almost a too good to be true type of. Yeah, am I talking too much?
No, I just want to say something. The next time somebody comes on stream and they're like, "Hey, I really like this prop firm. This is why." Make a note of it, and we're going to write down why. So we have a cheat sheet. We're starting a cheat sheet right now. It's a work in progress.
Okay, so we can get them on board, and I'm working with Apex. We may have Apex accounts, Funded Next accounts. I don't know who else is on the.
Did you say Apex has a sale right now?
Apex always has. When does Apex not have a sale?
I know you said they had a really great sale or something. So
$6 activation fee. Now's the time they're saying to get your 20 accounts. Yeah, I'm thinking about it too, eh? Saying, wow, with a really low activation fee, it's.
Well, I know a guy with a code. It's XY plus 0 minus something. I don't know. I don't know the code, but I know a guy with a code.
You got to put it up. Yeah, if you're going to use XY0K72, you better copy and paste.
I don't know why they do that stuff. The guy even said he was going to give me the custom code.
Hey, you got a custom code for daytraders.com. I don't. I'm still using XYZ MG2 or something.
Did you message? Like the guy did it for me. So you was on chat with me when I did it.
Yes, I was. That's another company that wants
That's how fast it was.
Yeah, that's another company we're hopefully going to have accounts from.
Sorry, guys. You message a company and they respond that fast and give you exactly what you want.
Yep, you should sign up with Apex. I don't have my Apex shirt. Where's my Apex?
Look, all joke time over, okay? Like, we're talking about serious stuff.
Okay. I'm sorry, Dad.
Day traders, they nothing. Just go with it. Just whatever we're doing. I don't even know anymore.
So yeah, guys, tell your friends and stuff, because you know what? Eventually, not too long in the future, I think this is going to be a buffet giveaway game, meaning we're going to have so many firms and such a portfolio of accounts to give away. I think when you win, you'll be able to choose who you want to go with. That would be something interesting to do. You know, we'll just put up the names of all the firms and you pick your firm.
Or we can do
or wait.
You ever watch the Animaniacs? They spin the wheel of whatever it was called. Maybe we'll do a wheel game where you win and then you spin the wheel.
Yeah.
Choose the account.
Yeah, can do that. Cool. Did I mention my duck race that's coming up?
You got all your ducks in a row?
Oh, it's a really cool game. I love it. I love it. I love it. The graphics are gorgeous. It is going to be fun. Those little ducks are going to be quacking their way up, and you guys are going to have to push it. You guys are going to have to work. You know what I hate about the duck games the other guys have? It's just random. You're just sitting there on your hands watching it. No. This one is you control it. You know when you used to go to those carnivals and you had to shoot the water in the hole for your balloon to grow, and when the first balloon that popped, but you had to get that water stream in the little hole to get your balloon to grow? You know those traveling carnivals or those traveling amusement parks? No? I'm talking to... Anyways, it's like that. You're going to have to push your duck. You're going to have to push your duck higher. You guys are going to have to... And I'm not making it easy on you. It isn't going to be spamming the same word over and over. You guys are going to have to fight. But you'll actually be in the game, which is going to be really friggin' cool. Okay, enough about the duck game. I don't have time to finish it off for a couple of weeks. It's a lot of work. Let's get it going. You ready, Omnius?
You're talking and my guy in the video is going like this. You can't see it, but the guy in the video.
Yeah.
The guy in the
see,
video is me. The guy in the video is me and you.
Loco. He's loco.
I think that was the time you were telling me it was Tuesday and it was Wednesday or something. What are you talking about?
I was close. So yeah, tell your friends. Tell your trading buddies. Tell anybody you know in the trading community to come here, because we can have, like I said, it'll become a game show channel with trading on the side. No, we'll always be traders. We'll always be traders first. I'm ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Omnius,
What
say
is
the
this,
word.
another qualifier?
Another last one. This is the Miss K911 qualifier game. Let's just make sure to confirm that I put in SP King. There we go. Actually, SP King, I apologize. You should have probably been there. Let's get you in for one free marble. Add a player. You kind of got ripped off. I'm sorry, Miss. I'm trying to lean the board towards Miss K911, but SP King, you deserve a second marble. Save and apply. There we go. Omnius, say the word, and I press the button.
Word.
Stopped out. Omnius. Omnius
Oh,
won't be
man.
running interference. Starboy on the right side of the board. Miss K911 with her 17 balls. Can't make it to the right side of the board. Okay, ball number 3 is on the right side of the board. Miss K911 is threatening. But she pushed, oh my God, she pushed SP King in, but he hit the wall and then she hit the wall. You can't get crazier than that. You really can. She's coming back down. She's got 2 balls. Ball number 2, ball number 3. Where's ball number 75 for Miss K911? And Skeletor, give it up for Skeletor, because he just knows how to play this game. I don't know. I think Skeletor uses Smooth Operator's ball polish, but Miss K911 looks like she's in a good spot. Ooh, does a flyby. Futures, doesn't matter. Skeletor! Oh my God, he bounces off both posts. Nefemi gives him a bump. Miss K911. Oh, Skeletor just says, fuck off, all of you. I'm going in, and I'm going right down the middle. Really? You can't center that. I mean, that's Skeletor. Miss K911, I tried. I really did. Skeletor's just too good at this.
Guys,
You wanna
type
know-
GG in the chat for Skeletor.
He's just
Good game,
too
Skeletor.
good at this.
Cool dude. Good morning.
Why is Skeletor so good at this? Because Skeletor has used code SMOOTH.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operators
add me to the
Premium
next.
Ball
Oh, shit.
Polish.
I'm sorry,
applied twice
Impulse.
daily,
Oh, good.
Sorry, I stopped it. I remember. Hey, Omnius, I might be impulsively be playing Smooth Operators ball polish ad. I'm giving you a heads up.
All right, go ahead. Run it.
This week's giveaway game is brought to you by Smooth Operators Premium Ball Polish. When applied twice daily, your balls will be aerodynamic, frictionless, and fully optimized for this week's giveaway games.
Okay,
Smooth
that's enough. We don't
operator.
want it to run too long, but Skeletor, we just want to know, how much friggin' ball polish are you applying to your ball that you just know how to find the winner's pit game after game after game? I mean, serious.
Now he's ready to take some good trades.
Skeletor.
Next game.
Skeletor. That's it. File. Save. Okay, let's do the giveaway. This is the morning stream. The morning stream is for a Bullinox account. Holy shit. Didn't you already win one? Where are my winners?
Mike, how many balls you got for Skeletor and
No, you don't want to know. Well, 1, 2, 3,
He's got-
4, 5.
no, cool dude. Did I say Skeletor?
You said Skeletor.
We're talking about Skeletor or cool dude?
Oh, I don't know. Cool dude. Where's cool dude?
He's in my chat.
Well, the qualifiers are kind of over. I don't know what cool dude. I invested 100 in an Indian IPO. Add me next. I got 2 balls. Good game. I got 2 balls. Okay, guys, we're going to do something special for Cool Dude. Now
Cool
we're gonna
dude,
have
skeleton got balls.
Hold on, Cool
Skeleton
Dude.
does has balls.
We are going to give you a chance.
Does he have any qualifiers?
No, he doesn't, but we're going to give him a chance here. We're going to give him a special. We're going to do an Omnius Trades special. Cool Dudes, you are going to have 2 balls. If you can, Cool Dude. Cool Dude 1. And Cool Dude 2. But you are also playing against Futures Floor, Omnius Trades, Diet Coke, and what did you call those things you're eating?
Nutty bar.
Nutty Bar.
But not the regular one, the white chocolate nutty bar.
You're playing against 4 other players. If you can make it to the winner's pit, I'll give you an entry into the final. I'm starting it. Oops, sorry. Hold on. I don't know.
Man, what was that?
Holy shit! What did you do, Cool Dude? Okay, but this wasn't even it because I didn't even tell Omnius. I'm not communicating with Omnius. This is very bad. Very, very bad. And we got to turn off the Miss K911. We'll start it over, guys. It wasn't even going to count anyways. There we go. Oh, but it is a qualifier. I just got to change it. I don't want to be confusing here. People can get nasty if they think they won, and we're going to say just watch the replay. This is a qualifier game for an entrant. Okay, you ready on this? Sorry.
I'm ready. What I gotta
do? Just say go. And this is the cool dude opportunity. Hopefully he won't fly into the stop-out pit like he did on the last one. Go. Futures.
Go cheeseburger.
Omnius. Cool Dude 1. Cool Dude 2. Hey, did we not tell you that everyone can stop out? Did we not tell you it happens? Right there. You just saw that it happens. Cool Dude has no interest in winning a qualifying game.
What was that?
I want to see that again. That's going to become a short. This is how you do not play. Hey, Cool Dude. I got one thing to tell you. Get in touch with Smooth Operator. Get some ball polish. That is not how the game is played. That is not how the game is played. You're off the team. We tried, Cool Dude. I gave you 2 opportunities. You can't make this stuff up.
All right, real quick, run one more time.
Really? Okay.
Hit the burst button.
Yeah, that'll be better. That'll be better. Cool Dude still almost goes into the stop-out pit right away. Nutty Bars. You know what? Everybody running interference should be other streamers. Nutty Bars, Patrick Wieland, ICT, I don't know, whoever else we can think of. Oh, I'm out of breath. Cool Dude, you look like you have a better chance. Nutty Bars is trying to stop out, but didn't. Only Cool Dude can win an entry over here on this one. Everybody else is just getting in his way. Let's see what he does. Give the poor guy a chance. He showed up late. He went to bed late. Oh, he looks like he's in a good location. I like it. Cool Dude, you have a good chance here. I really like where you are. Oh, my God, and you brought your partner to help you out there. Cool Dude 1 and Cool Dude 2. Nutty Bar is going to try to keep you out of the pit. So is Futures. That's our job as market makers, to make sure you can't take profit. But if you're a good trader, oh, you went back to your entry. You're back at break even. You're in the middle of the board. Oh, no, maybe now you're going to flirt with Nutty Bar. You're going to help him out? No. Oh, bounced off the stop out. Nutty Bars looks like is going to hit the goalpost. Cool Dude is racing to the winner's pit, but misses it by a little bit. At least he's in the game, though. He's only fighting. Oh, I thought he was going to get there. Cool Dude won.
That one peg keeps getting them.
It's the last one. It's 11:50. We really got to get it. Cool Dude, Futures. That's it. Cool Dude, we tried. We tried. We made an exception. All the other players are saying, hey, why did he get a special? Well, because it's Cool Dude. Cool Dude's got a cool name. Missy K, we really tried for you too. But you know what? We're running these next week. Morning, evening. Show up before the stream. Type an exclamation mark giveaway before we start yapping. You got 2 balls on every qualifier for that day. That's all you got to do. Smooth Operator is a champ of that. He's there. He's there at 6 o'clock. 3 hours before we show up. He's already typing in exclamation mark giveaway. Yeah, I'm going. And don't forget to hit the like button on both our streams, guys. We need those likes up. That's what pushes it out to other players. No, and we're not traders anymore. We're players now.
All right, come on. We got to run the game.
Sorry. Shut up, Mike. Stop talking. I get it. Qualifier, gone. Let me set up the players list. Let's get it up there. I wish there was an always on top. Okay, Blockwire, Joker, and Woodchip. Let's start with that. Add a player. All right,
so this is for the giveaway. So, guys, type in the chat, giveaway. So everybody knows this is the giveaway, right? Mike, this is the giveaway?
Yep. That's why
this one's for the giveaway, guys. Let's flood the chat with giveaway so everybody knows this is the one.
It's going to take me a while because I don't have the right update going. Blockwire. Woodchip. We do them in the order that they were won.
What account?
Morning is Bullinux.
For anybody who doesn't win the giveaway,
Hamza.
Bullinux does currently have a sale. 91%. So if you don't win the giveaway and you need an account, you can use our codes and get 91% off and get you an account. When you use our codes, that helps support the stream, helps us get more accounts to give away and to give back to you. So everything we get is given right back to you and the community.
Wow, there's a lot of players. My fingers are starting to hurt. I've never seen such nonsense.
Cool Dude said, add me, I won't win anyways. What if we add Cool Dude as a market maker?
We can do that. Let's throw him in there.
What if we put a Cool M market maker? Which means if you do win, you can't win. So
we rerun it.
You'd be in the same boat I am. I can't win either because I got a red beard. Cool Dude, do you have a red beard?
12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks like you're all there. Blockwire, Joker, Woodchip. Blockwire, Joker, Woodchip. Perfect. Skeletor, Hamza. Skeletor, Hamza.
Well, Cool Dude, if you dye it red, then you won't be able to win because I'm not allowed to win because I got a red beard.
Blockwire 2. Skeletor 2. Skeletor 3. Starboy. Ruan. Skeletor 4. Skeletor 5. And add a player. Cool Dude MM. Save and apply.
Cool Dude, just remember that means you're a market maker. You can't win because you don't have a ball in the race.
I don't know what to call this. Call it nothing. Cancel. Ready? Say the word. Add me. Anyways, we're going to do a burst. Oh, we're not going to make it so easy. Also, the wall of resistance. Let's make it a 4. Okay, Omnius, say the word. We'll do a burst to make it fair. Everyone shoots out at the same time. say go.
All right.
And
Go.
okay, say go.
Okay, 6-7.
Starboy almost stops out, but doesn't right at the beginning. Cool dude. Blockwire stopped out. I think Blockwire has a couple of entries. Skelly's got so many. Omnius out. He's got so many entries that he can afford a few. Skelly 5.
Man.
Skelly 5 already with his ball polish is already threatening. Wood chip. Skelly does a flyby. Skeletor 3. Skeletor 5. Futures can't win. Cool dude, market maker can't win. Wood chip can. Futures takes it. We run it again. Omnius. Say the word.
What word?
Anyone you want.
6-7. Since we don't know what it means, we can make it anything we want.
We can. Skeletor 4. Look at Skeletor. Jesus Christ. Skeletor 4. Skeletor 3. Blockwire 2.
Skeletor's on a mission.
Skeletor looks like he's really going to take it. Unless Futures finds a way. Futures going to try for the pit and end this game. But he does not succeed. Omnius, Futures, Hamza. Hamza's looking dangerous. I think Hamza's going to win this one. I know the physics of the game. I think Hamza's going to take this one. I've been wrong before. But Hamza really looks like he's in the right place, floating at the right speed. Oh, he's on the left side of the board. I was wrong. But maybe you never know. He still may make he may streak across the board and find his way into the pit. He's back in the right side of the board, but now he's flirting with the stop out. Blockwire 2 finds a way to get under Skeletor's arm, avoids a check, dekes him out, does a head fake, flies right into the pit. Blockwire, you got yourself a Bullinox account. We need you to contact us on the Discord, and we will get you the code. We will set you up for that. Okay, now we are running the evening.
Wait, guys.
Oh, yeah, wait, I got to enter the names. We're far way away from that.
Please type GG in the chat for Blockwire. Everyone wants to have good sportsmanship. Blockwire, good job.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Let's get some GGs in the chat for Blockwire.
What's the date today?
Blockwire said he's here. Blockwire, good job.
Good job. Give me a contact me or Omnius in the Discord. What did I win? You won a shiny new Bullinox 50K account. Do you want to give it to Miss K911? Why not? What do they call that? Paying it forward? Paying it backwards? You know, like when you go into the coffee line and they tell you your order's paid by the person behind you or the person in front of you. You can't be paid by the person behind you. What an idiot I am. It was already paid. Paying it forward. That's what it's called. Right? Blockwire, you want to pay it forward to Miss K911? Or you want to keep it?
Not how the game works.
Is that even? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not how the game works. Okay, forget it. I take it back. Don't even answer. But if you like the content, leave a comment and hit the like button. What are we doing? The evening.
Blockwire, how do you want him to get in touch with you?
Oh, on the in Discord. You got to come into Discord. We have to authenticate you.
The Blockwire, go to Futures Floor Discord. The link should be in the description.
It just showed up. Good timing. Omnius, Skeletor, remove, Cool Dude, Market Maker, add a player. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Blockwire.
12, 13.
Mike.
Sorry.
Blockwire, you do have to join the Discord. And Mike's Discord should be in the description. Click the link, join the Discord, and send Mike a message. If you could do that now so he can know that it's you. And then he'll get in touch with you probably either today or over the weekend.
Yeah. You need to give me your YouTube. What is it? Your channel ID, because that's how you're tracked, and your email address. And with those two things, I can authenticate you, so I know that it isn't somebody else coming in saying, "Hey, I'm Blockwire," and I just send them the code. Then you would not be happy, right? So we got to just authenticate you.
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing? Hamza, Cashier, the Femi, Tiger. Tiger, 2025. Wood chip and Cashier. Oh, wood chip also, again? He's in the evening? I didn't know. I forgot. Wood chip. Cashier, Nefemi. Joker, Hamza. Nefemi Cashier, wow. Tiger, Nefemi, wow. Can you guess who's been showing up in my evening stream? Tiger, Nefemi, Joker, and Cashier have been playing vigorously and winning. So, Nefemi, what do we got for you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's number them. Nefemi 1, Nefemi 2, Nefemi 3. Nefemi 4. Who else has multiple? Hamza, do you have a couple of? You got 2. So there's a Hamza 1 and there's a Hamza 2. Who else? Cashier 1, 2, 3. Cashier 1. Cashier 2. Cashier.
This is for the evening stream, right?
This is for the evening stream. Tiger has 2 entries. Tiger 1. Tiger 2. Let's just confirm it. Cool dude, you're a market maker again. And let's add one more player. I like Diet Coke to play. Diet Coke can't win.
Just make sure Cool Dude knows that you got him as a market maker.
Yeah, maybe I'll spell it out. There he goes.
Good morning.
Save and apply. Wood chip. How many you got in here? Wood chip. You should have a couple for the evening, don't you? Hamza, Cashier, Nefemi, Tiger, wood chip, Cashier, Nefemi, Joker, Hamza, Nefemi. Nope, you only got 1. You had a couple, I think, in the morning one. Oh, you only had 1 there too. Okay, let's go. Boom, 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 boom.
What account is this for?
Give me just a sec.
Mm-hmm.
Tiger, Nefemi, Diet Coke, save and apply. This is for the Taurus Arena 50K eval.
All right, guys, real quick. Taurus Arena, for anybody that doesn't win the giveaway, like to join Taurus Arena, they do have a sale. You can get, I believe it's the last day of the sale.
Mm.
Let me make sure before I go saying.
Tres accounts for $45, I think.
All right, let me just double check. I don't want to be giving bad information.
In the meantime,
okay,
I put up the players list.
Taurus Arena currently has a sale. If you get 3 or more accounts, you can get them for $15 a piece. So just do everything, put in the code, do everything you're doing. When you go to accounts, you want to add 3 or more, and you can get those for $15 a piece, $14.98. So I believe that deal ends today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's not going to last long. They've said that. So we don't know the exact date, but they said it's not going to last long. So if anybody's wanting to get those If you don't win, you want to get some accounts anyways, go there, sign up, get you some accounts, use them to trade. Also, that would be, if you want to do it, use our code, support the stream. Whatever we get back, we put back into the stream and allows us to get more accounts from them to give away to y'all anyways. Mike?
We'll do a burst again. I think burst for the account games should always be applied. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's the fairest way rather than fire, because fire, the first one is more likely to hit the stop out pit than the last one. He's got a lot of balls in his face. But burst is random. All of you guys shout out at the same time. Omnius, say the word.
Waiting. All right. WTF. Go. We trade futures.
We trade futures. Hamza, Tiger. Hamza 2, stopped out. The wall is being broken through really quickly. Omnius is on the right side of the board saying, maybe we should run this. No. Woodchip flies across the board. An OG. Woodchip. Woodchip is in a good place. Diet Coke. Didn't I put in Diet Coke? Oh, I left the space. That's why. Diet Coke. Cashier. Nefemi. Oh, Nefemi. I thought you took it. Diet Coke. Diet Coke cannot win. So we rerun the game. Diet Coke is the sponsor of the Omnius Trades Futures Floor Show.
Guys, why do we put in ones that can't win? Because sometimes people stop out early, and that gives a chance to restart. And so if you do get stopped out, that doesn't mean you're completely out. It means
you always have a hope.
Chance that one of the market makers win, and we restart the game.
That's it. Sometimes you feel like a nut. Sometimes you don't. Say the word.
Right. Run it.
Hamza, Nefemi. Yeah, if you stop out, you better hope one of the market makers can make it into the winner's pit. Gives you something to still hope for. Woodchip, trying to find a way onto that. Wow, Woodchip is really doing good here, finding his way. Joker flying across the screen saying, get out of my way. I know what I'm doing. I know where it is. Diet Coke is saying, let me try and take this away from him. Omnius also trying to do his job. Cashier, you got it. You hit the inside of the goalpost. Hamza hits the inside of the goalpost. Guys, I have to have I don't know if you're hockey players or you watch hockey games, but ping, you guys rang the iron. Cool dude. Market maker. Cool dude. You didn't think you'd find your way in, but you know what? At least he's learning how to weave his way, like a slalom skier, weave his way between the poles. He's learning how to get there. This is, what do they call that? Artificial intelligence that learns, artificial, not on a learning model where it learns as it repeats more and more. The balls learn how to find their way to the pit easier. The more you win, the more.
He was using the ball lube.
Okay, let's go for number 3 till we have a winner. Sir Omnius, say the word so I know. 12-10. Joker, Nefemi. Cool dude, Nefemi, out. First one out. Nefemi, you oversized. You got stopped out. Cashier, stopped out. Joker, stopped out. Diet Coke. Whoa, you guys are lucky. Maybe Diet Coke will take it again. Restart the game. Diet Coke knows what he's doing. There you go. I'm not waiting for Omnius. Burst. Let's get this over with. Joker flirting with the stop out. Tiger out. Get out of here. Sit on the bench. Cashier 1, Cashier 2. Cashier, you have so many balls, and yet you haven't been on the right side of the board for any of these games. What are you doing wrong?
Gotta use that. Gotta use the lube, man.
Nefemi 1. Nope. Changed. Cashier, change direction. Cashier. Cool dude. Market maker. Tiger is in a good place. Tiger's in a good place to float in. I like where Tiger is. Cashier flies over, but I really like where Tiger is. Who won the first one this morning? Blockwire. And this one goes to Cool Dude, the market maker. Hurry, say burst. We're losing Burst.
Cool dude
Guys.
thought he couldn't win. Put him as a market maker, and he goes in twice.
You see, guys? This just shows you that the market makers always win. The futures market is
Look
rigged.
at wood chip. Aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
Wood chip slays.
Tiger, Nefemi off the goalpost. Cashier on the right side of the board floating around. Tiger floating around. Nefemi. Tiger's looking good. So is Nefemi 4. Just to let you know what I see. Nefemi 4 is... Oh, there's a lot of activity around the goal. You're not going to believe it. I'm going to let you see it.
Oh, my God.
I'm going to let you see it.
Are we serious right now?
Cool, dude. We have to take you out. You're
Yeah.
benched. Where are you? You're gone. There is no more Cool Dude. And there is no more Diet Coke. Skeletor. No, you got to stay. Say burst. Hurry. Skeletor's got to leave.
He's
Almost
hungry.
done, Skeletor.
All right, burst. Do it.
Burst. We got 2 market makers taken out. There's no more Diet Coke. There's no more Cool Dude. He's figured it out.
Are we
His
out of market
marble has
makers?
figured it out. What are they? Oh, learning model. That's it. It's an AI learning model. His ball has figured out how
We
to
got
get
one
through
market
everything.
maker?
Yeah, no, Omnius and futures. That's it.
All right. If a market maker gets it this time, we take him out. Next
We
game.
take yeah.
Either this
I don't
game or
think
the
so.
next game's final games. Somebody's
this-
going to win.
Omnius is out. Hamza. Oh, Joker. Hamza. Oh, that was a fight for the winner's
wow.
pit, and they both pushed each other out of the way. Nefemi
Getting-
takes it.
getting aggressive now.
takes it.
The Femi, good job, guys.
Nefemi takes it. Nefemi 1, Nefemi 4, and Nefemi 3, all around the winner's pit, helping each other out like teamwork.
Guys, put GG in the chat for Nefemi.
Nefemi got himself the 50K Taurus Arena account.
50K Taurus Arena account. Congratulations.
Same deal, Nefemi. Contact
Guys,
me in
please show
Discord.
sportsmanship. Put GG's in the chat.
Let me show you what I need from you.
Nefemi, go to the Discord. You can find it in Mike's description. You have to join the Discord. Send him a message.
Guys, just go to your channel. Click on Customize Channel. When you click on, your channel, your general page there where you see all the tabs, the videos, blah, 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 blah. Click on Customize Channel. Down below, you're going to get something that's called Channel URL. It's right. It's pretty much right under your description. It's just your channel URL. It's the same thing like if your channel is Nefemi. This is a code. So it's your unique ID, which is what the game is tracking. So just to make sure that no one tries to steal your thing, just get me your unique ID. There's a little copy button. You just copy it. Don't worry, I can't hack in. There's nothing I can do about that. It's just, if I have your name, it's like I have your channel URL anyways. But right now, you're pretty much the only one who knows what it is. So send me that, and we'll get you set up. If you have any problems finding it, we'll take care of you in the Discord. Okay, that's closed. That's it. Have a good weekend, guys.
Mike, you have to leave right now, or did you want to see if somebody wanted to chat for 10 minutes?
No, I kind of got to get going.
All right.
It's my wife's home and the weekend, and yeah, I kind of got to get going. That's why I said before 12:10. We were kind of running late, like Skeletor. I have to take off.
All right. Run the credits then.
Thank you for showing up, guys. Appreciate it. I hope you guys had fun. I know I had a good time. We're going to do this again next week. Obviously, you see, if you keep playing, you have multiple balls right there on the screen. Cashier 3, Hamza 2, Nefemi 1, 2, and 4. 3 and 4. Nefemi had a bunch of balls, so the more you play it, the more chances you have of winning. We try to run 3 qualifiers every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, giving us 12 entries for the final on Friday. Trade safe. That's really what's most important. This is a trading channel, guys. Keep your trading safe, and we'll see you Monday morning, 9:15 or earlier. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Joker. Omnibus.
Guys, appreciate you. Once again, thanks Bullinox and Taurus Arena for sponsoring the game. Bullinox 91% off. Code's in the description. Taurus Arena, you get 3 accounts. You get a great discount. It's not going to last long. Once again, code's in the description and links. All that's in the descriptions of the video. Everyone have a great weekend. Appreciate you guys as always. And see y'all Monday.
Let your friends know. And hopefully next week we'll have the duck race going. Take care, guys.
Let's get more people. We can do more stuff and keep building the stream in the community where we talk about trading and different strategies. And together we can help each other out and beat the market. Later, guys.